Teejay, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut up selector boy.
So, what go on this up?
Jamaican
Dan, what go on?
Yo, manners.
Yeah, him also this up Swanee, yes.
Yeah, but Swanee this on Instagram before I make the song or after I make the song. I know so Swanee this him, but I don't know if I before or after. But if Swanee this him after the song, where might this Swanee find at the first place? You see, pray.
All right. Me not think any artist where post up things pan social media. I tried this artist. That week, brother. Go. Show me your versatility. Go in at the studio, bro. Go in at the studio, bro. So what if a Twitter finger thing, bro? It don't make no sense. So Dan live, what go on, bro? Look like you're live.
Yo, big up. There ain't no family, big up on yourself, you know. You see me I say?
Up top,
big up everybody on the stream. You see me I say?
Damn yourself, man.
Up top, bro.
Yeah, man, big up everybody.
What you think about the whole thing, though, my fam?
Well, me think my reply still, you know, me just think say, hopefully they might take everybody advice and space out the war. You see me I say? Because I don't want to rush it thing.
Yeah,
you see me?
We don't read.
But
we don't want to rush it.
Latest, me that game about tomorrow still. Me not live. I go reply.
But we don't want to rush it, and also
yeah.
we don't want to lay it out neither, brother.
Yeah, that's true.
You see me? So it have to be a balance. It have to be a
balance.
Yeah,
but I say latest, so that'll be tomorrow still. You know what I'm saying?
Tomorrow that make what 4 day, right?
In a week.
Tomorrow that make 3 or 4 days.
But yeah.
2 day?
A 2 day? Nah, man, not 2
no,
day,
man. I'm more than that, man.
More
about 3 days, 3 4 days, man. I tell you, man.
Reaction, no, man.
3 4 days.
Friday.
I sang a job 3 days ago, brother.
3 days. That
Friday
job 3 days.
I don't want to job 3 days ago, yeah. So I know 2 days. I know 2 days. And I don't want to get to a stage where I have to start use the alkaline coat. In get a week, I'm like in week out. Never get it up even nothing to tweet about. We don't want that, brother.
Man, that's why that be latest after tomorrow or Tuesday, man. You know what I'm saying? Or
yeah.
But
me personally, me not feel like say him go reply though. Me can't see it.
Me not see my reply by himself on that one. I think Swanee gonna jump in since you see me Teejay done put him in the mix. Teejay put him in the clash now.
Swanee now mix up in that.
Oh, you should have seen him say on Instagram. And I'm like,
hey, when I talk about Swanee, I post and I go with that bag. I think remember that the man there a clash. Remember I train that man every Sunday man drop a clashing. Every Sunday man drop a war. Listen me and say. So no must know now. I nothing say I gotta do that though. If you do it, it's good for me. Good for you know. It's good for all our way right here.
Good for all our way.
Yeah. Come on.
Yeah. Good for the fans then.
I see them views there.
Nice man.
All right.
So somebody just drop a comment. What am I say? Yeah, I'm already getting tired of this. I like both Teejay and Byron. And I like their songs. So where I get tired of? The fact say them not reply or what, Edward? Click the link and join in and come make we hear what I say. You don't have to put on a camera or nothing, bro. So make we run Unwanted Child because him chat some raw thing tonight, bro. No joke.
I'm surprised we can still do post. Teejay don't kill all like posting in a song. You know what I'm saying? If you don't posting on Instagram and studio for there, you see me?
Yeah, bro. Like the whole Twitter thing. Me not like it, bro. Me not like it, dog. You're artist, brother. We know your face songs.
You see me? No want to posting on them thing there.
Yeah, dog. We know your face songs, brother. And we also see Coyote jumping at the war. And people are say Coyote song better than every song we drop so far. But me can't feel comfortable bringing in Coyote in the war because nobody know what to do for him. Him just kick you in and just jump in, brother.
Really, just jumping. I don't want to take me
yeah,
out.
Man, I'm trying to get publicity from it, man. You see, pray.
Which artists are gonna do that? Artists are gonna do that. There is no harm in doing that. But me personally, I'm gonna see the same thing when Joshy and Silk Bass are we said Dan Pre jump in and chat some song to for Silk Bass. So we expect them thing to go on. But if we give it attention like that, even though it's a bad song, I think that song they should aim at somebody else from outer Byron camp. Personally, if we make that person there and Coyote go at it, to be honest. And if you want to drop a one line and this Byron in the song, then cool. But if you drop a whole this song, body man, that mad, bro. That mad. But apparently it's a bad song still. So I don't listen to the song yet. Me know say reaction boss react to the song. Don't reaction.
Yeah, me react to both of them today. Me react to the Kiddo and the I'm artist name. But the other man never reacted them from St. Kisses man. Radio Randy Tatata.
Oh, me you do the Coyote one too, man. The Coyote one bad for real, man.
Yeah.
Do you feel like K-Man gonna help out Byron? Can he make a post, K-Man 6? I feel like he gonna help out Byron.
Me no know. Not me not think so. I don't think
K-Man
so.
and the dude from Trini, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, K-Man.
Them bad no, but hey.
Yeah, man, K-Man hard, man.
Dark.
Yo, me react to a song from him, brother. I'm gonna tell you, say a good thing at daytime outside. After me walk my curtain and go outside, me feel alright. Then yeah, date on a night. I'm afraid, brother.
Yeah, man.
Dark,
K-Man, bad man.
I'm afraid, bro.
Like, do you feel like anybody in the Z gonna help Byron out?
No.
I think if they do, I think
who in the Z though? That's the question.
No, man, look like it's a bugger man day in the Z, man. Come here, tell us me here K-Man, I say 6, 7, 8, 9.
No, but
well, the Z link with the 6. You see me? So,
yeah.
Yeah, one link. So I wonder if you know what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yo, go on talk. Give me a second. Go on talk.
No, I want to song them bad, man. If it's a group thing, it's a group thing still, Group thing that more. Because phone will react to the song, them, You see me?
Man, we just want Teejay. I prefer me don't want Teejay and Byron go at it. But you see, through Coyote jump out and nowhere, I wonder if anybody gonna feel like say,
we just
so 2 against 1.
Coyote just jump out. Coyote jump out and a dude when I'm tell you, say a while ago the dog when him Randy Tatata from St. Kitts.
Yeah. Okay. So who
yeah,
bigger?
man, I saw you do a video on
who bigger?
I want to check the one. I haven't reacted to that one.
Which one?
From St. Kitts, the dude from St. Kitts.
Ta.
Yeah.
I gotta check it out.
You can run it on the live and you never for react to it, brother. Run it on the live.
All right, hold on. Let's run TJ song for a second and try to break down some of what TJ say. Cause him got hard, brother. And me know say it's a lot of thing me missing it, but make we go.
PC to the wall. Yeah. Byron never kill nobody, dog. Byron them never bust gun, brother.
Yo, for have a man from St. Kitts, I said Byron no kill nobody, Byron. That is very believable because that could be Byron next door neighbor. We don't know who that.
No. Oh, you know the man from St. Kitts.
We know TJ Rashid didn't kill nobody yet.
Eh?
When I see the news pan TJ, I ask Unuka, I want to follow up the thing, is it?
No,
TJ kill nobody yet.
I'm going off of the intro. At the intro, me talk about,
Yeah,
but
But enough people are bad the name is, The unwanted child. He has 2 different meanings, you see me? Unwanted child, and as a bad man, and you're unwanted, that means you're not a bad man, that because, when you're a bad man, you're on wanted list and most wanted list.
Yeah.
If you say you're a bad man and you're unwanted, again, you're nobody.
Facts.
True.
Facts. I never preach so deep for true still.
Yeah.
That's why unwanted on the line, and then you have the child.
Yeah.
2 different names.
Brother, yo, talk about the cover art. The cover art ugly, no, brother.
So, what's the first one? First cover art. Let me say
cover art, terrible man.
No, I say the actual one for Instagram because that's the edit one we post on YouTube, but you have a different cover art when we get in a little secret WhatsApp group.
And then you got the tag on it, nationality unknown, bro. Yo, the cover art dangerous. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah,
which one that? Which one? Ufa?
The tag it said nationality
unknown. Yeah.
Oh yeah. That terrible.
That's disrespectful, bro.
But that I'll go with the name of the song too. The name of the song unwanted. I mean, said that's why I said nationality unknown on the tag. The name of the song unwanted. Nobody wanted.
Nobody no want him.
Crazy, man.
And we say him mother no want it. Yo.
UTC, me say, UTC to the wall. Yeah. Byron never kill nobody, dog.
Instagram.
Byron them never bust gun, brother.
Yo, my dead. Lift up a rifle and give me. Me bad for real, somebody tell the kid me be bully him. Hey, grenade inna me hand pan easy, me be pull it pin. When them in a car and listen little kid, we can make big boy broke out for little things. Them know we warm dead. Hey, we got approach him. In a head when me make the clock open. Boy see the camp and catch cold skin. Chop off pighead and put it in a oven. A laughing, a talking, a joking. Me shoot up the bar and the shorty you roll with. Act like say me make him mad at this one him. Better me use the rust chain and choke him. One bag of killers and ganja smoking. Clip a load up, figure do the patrolling. Black full of murder, a killer no boring. Me a killer no know me now, make no grow big. Me too badness, no close friend posting. Bad for which part, oh me no know him. Here say a Prince Cranny did a coach him. But him a wrap up head, give him a nose ring. You no fuck around because of people wicked. You no fuck around because you're easy faking. Me dog them down. Them done. Them done. Pussy them know say me crazy. No say me insane. Rifle a kick like Bailey. And I report your brain. Can't tell me you a Taliban. Me so sanction no play. Yeah. Can't shoot at me car and me in a that. Remember you come a yard, come drift and crash. Maybe lift up one tall broomstick and watch. Matter of fact, turn the pan him and mac. Yeah, the pussy them a waste man, piss and trash. Shot in at your face, what kind of kick and box. Me we chop off your ass head with one last. Send kids a ball, I say you till and that. And I use say your friend turn fish and sprat. Me no understand, could do vision that. So you make man moan like girl in a song. Hey boy Byron, you a key man. Every gal love chippy down a Trinidad. And a real chat that make you 6 pants clap. And no feel say me answer your cause you a somebody me G will a come from me and back. No fuck around because of people we kill. You no fuck around because you're easy ficky. Me dog.
Alright, let me stop it there so. Can I just one comment come in? Can somebody read a comment for me please?
Tough.
Ian but join, click the link and join in and come make your and come make your talk, bro. Stop type foolishness in the comment section, cause this is utter the foolishness, brother. Nobody na bash Byron. We are say, oh Byron I take so long for reply. That is what we are say, brother. Go back and watch my reaction. Them watch
everybody reaction.
Watch everybody reaction, bro. Watch the last live, bro. Which part jealousy coming at this? Jealousy where you talk about? One of you stop it, my youth. One of you stop type foolishness and come talk, brother. One have the option to come talk. So stop type foolishness, bro.
Alright, then the song you say me use the damn chain and choke him. Which chain am I talking about?
In big chain, remember here.
Man.
Yeah, man.
The chain I'm telling the same Tryon from Prince Cranny. You see me the video I go viral. I'm a Tryon man chain, a Tryon no man chain, man. Wait till they make it and buy your own, brother, man.
So we are say, you never have a chain before.
I not say that. So did have on one when them try on a man chain, but me I say you know try on a man chain, just wait till you get the thing set up and buy your own.
Alright, Rocket. Who are leading at the clash fair right now?
Teejay lead.
Teejay lead. Just because of the song Unwanted Child. Bad song. Okay. So you think Byron would have a wicked counteraction for this?
I mean, back in the days, right? Vibes Cartel Movado. You say you want the clash be between TJ and Byron. Back in the day, in Alliance versus Gaza, you know.
No, that was different. That was two groups. That was two groups, bro. That was two groups.
Yeah, but Z in one group, man.
Is it and so which other artists TJ have in a film group?
I don't know, you tell me. Are you the TJ supporter?
None.
TJ not an artist in that group.
Yeah.
No, there is artists. But what I say, listen, there's a lot of artists around him, but guess what? Who have an established name to come out and can take a part in a clash, so somebody can respond to them. Just like how when a kiddo, me personally, when a kiddo, Coyote. I can respond to
like a blood clot, Coyote.
I can respond to ta whatever. Because I look at them on the face of all, I say man only have like 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, but guess what? In views them go up there. You see me and say. So I understand. So I think the Coyote I get hard foot and say, well, I mean I big artist to them, man. I'm not gonna reply to them, man.
Real man, when they're a certain level, you're not gonna reply to a certain level of artist. You see me?
I think to me, sorry. To me, still, me think that utterly fuck sometimes, brother. Like me think artists use it to try and get out of a clash, because don't feel that them artists I don't sit down and listen to other artists' lyrics and styling, bro. And know say yo, that you the bad, you know, that you the bad, and brother, me feel say if an artist I put out the work, have a fan base, no matter how big or how much money him have, if a man call the name and this, brother, if you have the time to do it, don't draw the levels card, bro. I think the levels card is a cheap way to get out of a lyrical confrontation. And that is what dancehall is built on, bro. True. Lyrical confrontation from dancehall was then until now, bro.
I understand what you say, but would you fight a man when nothing to lose? You have everything to lose and him nothing. Would you fight him?
All right, which artist would you say right now don't have nothing to lose?
Don't have nothing to lose. Like I said, brother there, when nobody know, what you say?
No, man.
The coyote?
Yeah. No, the other you there. When him know him. So right now the clash should have give him everything right now. People are know him. Numbers would have go up all them good things.
It's like you're promoting for free. Yes,
someone know you're up on top like Teejay or Byron right now. You're getting all them views, you know. You go clash with someone and lose, you know. You lose all your respect. Your viewers gonna say, you know, I listen to you no more. You lose to them one day, you know.
Yo, all right.
No? So
make we listen to that song. Yeah, at the first time I listened to it, by the way, I wasn't planning to react to it. Make we do this live, blood clot. Make we do this live.
Which one that?
To the song coming.
All right then,
DJ. You dumb scum. No, you are no boy can't DJ. See? Hear that? Yeah, man. Better me murder him. 2 we have 1 hit. Fear.
Better we murder. Better, so he must say basically better him murder Byron because he told him I've won it. Yeah. Fame won it. Women nice or something go on. Women nice or something go on.
No, I know so it means still. I know so it mean it.
We're back to the levels what
I mean?
I know so it mean it. Running by the with let's what it does. I know so it mean.
Bring it back to the levels thing we were just at about. Basically, I say, yo, let's get level.
Hear that?
Yeah. Alright.
Yeah, man. Better me murder him. 2 we have 1 hit.
So that man said that 2 we have 1 hit.
Yeah, so we're on the same level. So we can't go. That's what I say. TJ, you're big.
Reaction boss, you're pre-ranking at that.
Yo, if you burn a boy on a tracking is a different level you're depending, you know.
True. Of course it is.
Man.
True. We're not taking nothing away from the G, you know. Big up Byron. Anyway, son, big up all of the St. Kitts people. We're not taking nothing away from Byron. Byron a bad artist. We're not taking nothing. You see me? One Caribbean. But get back to this. The man said the 2 we have 1 hit. So he must say Byron hit a Taliban and Fame hit Women Nice or Stomach One. See? So he must say, yo, make me murder him.
Yeah, man, better me murder him. 2 we have 1 hit. Fear and square. You can't this yard, man. You tear nor dear, see? Boy, elder. Taliban different from sumo wrestler.
Taliban, what?
What the man say, boy, elder? Taliban different from sumo wrestler. So he must say, my boy big and can't walk. Him target. No, yo, we don't want to get the fuck it.
Boy, elder, Taliban different from sumo wrestler. Charge up my gun and pull up in a Tesla. Yard man badness, no boy no test that. Set spot, where you this tell you get a headshot. Pussy, 90s badness a riff that. Dosing back 90s still your mates back. Killer and beanie, Shabba and red rat. But you like your girlfriend in a one cell block. You buy in a run, you fi member.
Yeah man.
Oh, alarm! Never hear that.
Run, you know. Man. Hey, me watch your video reaction box. Me watch your video reaction box. I say, oh, you know hear that dark? I know if you hear that. We know, man.
Wake up this morning, me to that song, brother. Trust me, man. No, what? You buy in a run, me not hear that.
Guys, click the link and forward in and come say your piece. The floor is open, enough space in there. Hold on.
Badness a riff that. Dosing back 90s still your mates back. Killer and beanie, Shabba and red rat. But you like your girlfriend in a one cell block. You buy in a run, you fi member.
Yo, that part the bad, brother. The man fuck up the man name, brother.
Yeah, man.
The man fuck up the man, literally. You buy in a run.
Yeah, you better remember say
remember say you must say YouTube don't block me for this. Man say remember say bisexual in a run. Yo,
man say we don't know your age nor your gender. That's crazy.
Yo,
yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy. That's wild, bro.
I think this shit deserve a reply from somebody at St. Kitts or somewhere.
He did. Yo, listen. The next song Ratata Jap is a direct response to this song. Do I?
You're gonna listen to
Yeah,
it.
man, watch listen to that one day.
Yeah.
Like your girlfriend in a one cell block. Your boy in a run, you fi member. Not sure where you're from or your gender. Run it down with my gun till it's slender. Murder the pigs and a swine for December.
Yo, the man said run him down till him slender, brother.
Slender
Breathless. Run him down till him lose weight in a dog. You can imagine, yo.
Your gender. Run it down.
And let me just say this, Coyote, your clarity upon that song, bro. Me can't hear everything what you say, bro. You can't hear everything what you said, G. Yo.
And the dog, give a little history lesson. Give a little history lesson in a song. Byron have a song named 90s. They must say, don't sing back the song that you make kids about 90s dancehall, isn't it?
Yeah.
You know, being a bunch.
You lock it down from in a cell block.
Yeah. And they must say Rev. So Rev is the 90s done from them time until now. It must say, yo, you don't know who Rev is basically, bro. Like, do your homework.
Yeah, man. In a run, you fi member. Not sure where you're from or your gender. Run it down with my gun till it's slender. Murder the pigs and a swine for December.
All right. Reality said, but why bring up them other artists? We have to bring up them other artists because we don't hear nothing from Byron, bro. We're bored.
True.
We have to bring up them other artists, bro.
Sorry, the family, me have to cut them. I have to cut there. You see me, but I want to big up everybody on the live. Big up you. You see me, big up Reaction, Boss Packet. Big up on yourself. You see me,
Respect, you know, bro. Yes, man. Every time, man. Respect, man. Respect, man. If you go sub to your channel, too, bro. You see me, because yeah, man. Respect, man.
Yo, everybody up on TikTok can drop us up on it, man.
Yo,
follow the dog, them.
Why bring up? But why bring up all them? Oh, but why he bring up all them? Okay. So you ask why him bring up them artists said, like Beanie and Bunty them. Him said, basically tell Byron say go do your research before you mention 90s badness and Buju lock it down from Cell Block. Them thing that him said. That's why him not disrespect them artists or nothing. Him just a refer them artists. That is it. You see me? Yeah, so sorry, bro. My misunderstanding with your comment.
Yo, TM reactions.
Eh?
Yeah, TM reactions drop a comment say, kid Coyote. Teejay off for rap for war.
Yeah. I mean, look about that in a real life, but him not.
Some of my people, I say if you join and come chat because some of people them say, yo, Coyote sang actually the body singing at the war. But the anti Teejay they drop unwanted. But
yeah.
Okay.
Coyote sang at the body song. You can see it in the comment section on Coyote video too. But go on, run through.
He's a shotty with a temper. The index finger feel tender. Couple teeth, I'm gonna never denture. For flinging, I'm got in at the center. When the 15 ton and them run, the ball then done.
Once a couple teeth. Couple teeth, I'm gonna not denture for flinging, I'm got in the center. And I enable him to shoot him in a rocket.
Nah, miss.
And belly button, man.
Dog, nah, miss.
Yo.
In at the center, when the 15 ton and them run, the ball then done. Daylight get dark like one night now come. Can't catch boy a road Marcus, so God them drum.
So Marcus produced this? Buju Marcus now will you know?
Can't catch boy a road Marcus, so God them drum. Daylight get dark like one night now come. Should I make your ghost as you make your post and I chat a fuckery like say you get a dose?
Should I make your ghost as you make your post?
Yeah. Man, I say my dopey already dead. Them dead.
So yeah. Yo. Coyote, pick up yourself, bro.
Should I make your ghost as you make your post and I chat a fuckery like say you get a dose of the white as you get a rose. All you having you with you know say you never close. Say I'll coffee there you make.
Hold on. Some play upon red just go on a while ago. All the avenue will tell you say you never close. So
should I make your ghost as you make your post and I chat a fuckery like say you get a dose of the white as you get a rose. All you having you with you know say you never close. Say I'll coffee there you make a toast. I want to know which chart it happy most. Skilly bang wap you make it happy boss.
Hold up, pause. You know you're the man that talk facts, right? Yes, brother. And Pastor Byron come out and I say, yo, I'm up with #1 song, you know, how much how long, you know? Remember,
from 20.
Then they mentioned coffee, you know?
Yeah. And then him says Skilly bang.
And Skilly bang wap too, you know, because people are talking about that. I go on with wap, we get big feature with Nicki Minaj.
Yeah.
Come on, man, you see me? That's why I'm a chatting now. Fox him a chatting him song, man. That's the same song I bought this song, man. Run through still.
Fighters so get a roast. All you having you with tell you know, say you never close. Say coffee they just make a toast. Me want know which chart it happy most. Skilly bang whap you make it happy boss.
Skilly bang whap you make it happy boss. So basically, him use Skilly bang whap song.
I use coffee toast song.
Yeah. So I must say Skilly bang whap you.
What that flow you sound like? Who for flow this? But you can't tell me. No man, what that flow you sound like? What that flow you remind you of? This remind you of a Black Rhino song. The flow. You know, sound like one of Black Rhino. Listen to it.
Yeah. Real.
Listen to it.
A real thing. Mezzing it deeper, a real thing. Right now, bad artist in a brother. Right now, bad artist, dog, but me don't know, dog. It's like dancehall just, me don't know, bro.
So get a roast. All you having you with tell you know, say you never close. Say coffee they just make a toast. Me want know which chart it happy most. Skilly bang whap you make it happy boss. You listen Jeff and go copy flow. But go to a diva kid. If I never feel
you listen Jeff and go copy flow. Which song Jeff sing what them I say yo at the same song? Which song that?
Jeff and remember say Byron Steve Jeff style in man. Remember
with Taliban.
With Taliban and say them big guns.
Big guns.
Big guns.
Oh, him sang them Big Guns.
Yeah, man.
Oh.
Remember when Taliban go up and Jeff come out and this. Remember say Jeff would try to crash Byron too and I forgot about that.
Oh, I never know.
Never know about that neither.
Never know.
No, man. Hey, Dada. I saw Jeff start off him song, Big Guns never know we go. That's everybody that, yeah. That's all I'm big. Oh, no, know that.
No, brother, because honestly, there's so much song. I'm gonna get more time to react to them. I'm gonna just fly past them, bro. And honestly, me stop listening music since me start react, bro.
I know that, man. Me too.
It's so now we a chat. Since me start react, me stop listening music. Where normally a song would drop, I mean run go listen to it. If me not react, me not listen to it. I swear to God. So if you don't understand what I say, me stop listening music.
Yeah, man, I see me for the content, man.
Yeah. You see me? Continue.
You listen Jeff and go copy flow. But go to a diva kid. If I never feel your size, you're not really big.
Move, rude, wicked, dirty, stink. Oh, good. You're not even kid. If I never feel your size, you wouldn't big. Bro, that disrespectful, bro. How is a skinny youth? We are fat shame the youth.
That's very disrespectful.
Guys, click the link there, join in, and come all a reason with the video. Give me your take. Give it.
Everybody in the comments, step in on the live.
After this, we have to listen to Ratatatata, you know.
Yeah, man. We're going to listen to Ratatata, man. That's a dissect this, brother, because this too much. And I never react to it. And, yo, God, no.
Cartel your meds and feel wicked. No, you wish at Jamaica you did really live.
Once you cartel your meds and feel you're wicked.
You wish at Jamaica you did live.
You wish at Jamaica you did live.
Big cartel your meds.
Big up Trini, but
listen to the ad-lib. Listen to the ad-lib a while ago. Reaction boss. I mean, no set of parts go over your head when I react to it. Listen what I'm saying.
But go to a diva kid. If I never feel your size, you're not really big.
You hear him say a while ago?
Obese. Never hear that. Me never hear that. Hey, watch your style. I show you what I go on. I'm never realize this. I'm never watch and pay attention. Yeah. It's a new headset me does. Yeah. I want my headset to be at work. So this me said someone in the video them more while. I want my ear out.
Sometime, bro. Sometime, if me watch a video, maybe find the slightest shit better than pick man dog.
I pause very quick. Big man like Johnny Bravo, they're playing a live stream right now from Trinity, but we have to say shout out to the general, right? That's what you see me.
Johnny Bravo in the building.
Johnny Bravo, the body security in the game.
Security.
Bodyguard.
You know what? Me see him in our video earlier on.
Everything.
Shout him out. Johnny Bravo. You are more than welcome to step in on the stream and give us your violent take on what is going on here. So, the link is there, sir. We are doing a whole discussion on the whole war between Teejay and Byron. So you are more than welcome to step in if you have anytime in your busy day, sir, being violent, knocking out people and all that shit. I like it. It's violent. I like it. Because myself still elder. I could continue. Yeah.
Happy most. Skilly bang wap make it happy boss. You listen Jeff and go copy flow. But go to a diva kid. If I never feel your size, you're not really big. Can't tell your meds and feel kid. Know you wish at Jamaica, you did really live. Yo, Lindsay. Pussy split pan boy, we don't care which boy from your this or this try.
Pussy split pan boy, we don't care which boy from your this try. Some rhyme I go understand, brother. My rhyme in a dog.
Yeah, man, a black rhino right there, man. Run it.
Pussy split pan boy, we don't care which boy from your this or this try. Yard man badness, we no friend fish boy, shoot and no miss boy. Road dump scum. Win the 15 ton and them run up all them done. Pussy them a ball. Daylight get dark like one night now come. Can't catch boy a road Marcus, so God them grow.
Never like on the stream, guys.
Daylight get dark like one night now come. When the 15 ton and them run up all them done. Daylight get dark like one night now come. Can't catch boy a road Marcus, so God them drum. Daylight get dark like one night now come.
Yo, this deserve a reply, bro. From
true.
I don't know which Trini artist, but this deserve a reply.
But not from.
I just tell somebody reply to the song.
No, a big. Make me hear the reply first.
Hold on.
Not to him though. The reply forgot to Black Rhino. I swear Black Rhino right now. No man, the flow too similar for me, man.
Everybody copy somebody in dancehall. Don't make them check.
No man,
a long time right now, deep brother. Enough. You see,
similar, brother.
You see enough of them style where. Yeah.
No.
You see enough of them style where enough of them money I run with. If I'm Rhino them style, bro.
Yeah.
Rhino is that guy, bro. No joke. What the artist name, bro?
Rodney. Rad. N-E-Y. Me actually look it up back.
Hold on. Rad as in R-A-D or R-O-D?
R-O-D-N-E-Y. Hold on. Make certain. Yeah. All right.
Yeah. Rodney.
So, Rodney.
Yeah.
T-A-T-A-T-A-T-A.
That's what T-A-T-A-T-A.
Yeah, shut up. Be a shot in that name.
Which one? This? Graveyard?
You look at the thumbnail. Yeah, man. I like that, man. Graveyard.
So who funny in the tombstone? We are
gonna dissect. We break it down. All right, Rodney Ratatat. All right, so we see Grim Reaper, and we see Graveyard.
Yeah.
Watch it not, but watch the writing. We see Grave and we see Yard with the Jamaican flag. So I'm tell you say yo, I'm kill everything from Yard. So then, a Jamaican I'm foul. So we see Rhino, Coyote, and Teejay this.
Yeah.
This better be good enough, brother. Because you can't have a flag and something when not good enough. All right. We also see the K over here, so with the scented flag. And we see a skull with a cutlass chopping it. All right, a badness. All right, make we go.
Hold on, before you start, why Black Rhino in the tombstone? Why Rhino on you?
Because Rhino and Swan did have a thing about last month sometime on social media.
Okay.
Never know about that, you know. Somebody in the comment section know about that. I never know about that.
See it, man.
I'm Mr. React over here, so I know John, why? Run it.
See it, man.
Bad a yard, bad a broad. No. We no give no warning, we no storm. You have to run when the rifle turn on. Watching a bit on the place in a graveyard. When them say big dog a walk, tell the little puppy coyote keep on. When you nice as for your walk.
When you say big dog a walk, coyote, man I say ease out.
The little puppy for the what?
Come sit down.
I guess what? That make clash nice enough people.
You can't team coyote them, man. I'm a mongrel, man.
Man I say sit. Go and sit down. You're not getting a visa figure can like the other mongrel dog them. Sit. That's how the G said that.
But people, look at give me thing in a clash. People in the comment section, I'm not for like mental. When they give me thing I sang them, but that can sing them nicer. Is it me in the comment?
Yeah. I like the picture though. Yeah, graveyard. Nah, man. I like my this.
This
way. A clash.
Me like it. I have no problem with it.
See the man have an AK with a sink. Nah, man.
I think this cover art is very creative, bro.
Yeah, man.
It's very creative.
Like a little bit make it still, but it created.
No, yeah.
No, man, but if you're looking at the detail, man, it's bad, man.
The whole idea of it, the whole idea of it, it's bad. The idea of it bad.
Mm-hmm.
The yard, YAAD, with the Jamaican flag, because we know say we are yard in a Caribbean, we known as yardy.
You watch a skull with the last night. Boom, clap.
When them say big dog a water, little puppy coyote keep out. When you nice as you go. Set the layers upon your forehead that you done, now the Glock them chip out. Eyeball pick out, teeth get kick out. Forensic see the shell them a fi recount. Close casket when SK man step out. Every shot I connect, don't look for no rebound.
Every shot I connect, don't look for no rebound. Don't look for none of that. No ricochet.
Yeah.
Gunshot at wall up boy flesh man. Rude.
So far,
you will look strength from happy feet.
Eh?
So far, what T-Boy sing and Coyote song?
Just a getting night.
All right.
So far,
like we mentioned, like we mentioned in a Coyote song, the clarity was peak. Like me can hear everything when I say without listen. Right now I'm trying to listen in HD. Number one, the accent for me, I know everything where them say me can pick up right away until me meds it deeper. You see me? So me after that I meds it properly. But so far it a chop. Me not hear nothing direct yet or nothing where a punch. You see me? Not yet, but at the first 30 seconds of the song still.
Yo, hold on there. Why is there a penguin in the back behind Teejay tombstone with a white flag?
You never see that, you know? Because Teejay penguin. Me never see that, you know? Me never see that.
Fight it out, man.
Teejay give up.
Yo, somebody said the artwork better than the song to blood.
I tell you, said the artwork body night, man. Rodney
song so now so people. We don't know say Jamaica, we know for dance, we know for them time, we know for music, we know for them thing. I remember I said send kissing the people. Them now the production level we have. So of course they got sound now. The quality got a little bit lower. You see me I say? Yeah, man. Run business.
Run it.
Every shot I connect, don't look for no rebound. You will look strength from happy feet. Man.
You will look strength from happy feet.
Man, that's where the penguin come from.
Hey, more to happy feet.
Who am I talking this? TJ.
Kid will look strength from TJ.
Coyote. That's what one name. Coyote is not me. I'm trying to correct him. Not me, Coyote. Big up yourself. Coyote from Fort Jenna camp.
Oh, but you in one camp. See,
I don't know G man. I don't know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. In bad man. A bad artist on. In bad. No joke. In bad.
I'm not discrediting. Industry for find
no rebound. You will look strength from happy feet. But in our mind, yo, me make you one left yard like Black Rhino. Me got some links in a foreign ready for carbine, yo.
That's a low blow. That's him make you one left yard like Black Rhino.
Black Rhino. How make Black Rhino run?
Yo, this is not a Black Rhino segment. Big up Rhino.
Yeah,
this
man.
Is not a Black Rhino segment.
Big
don't put us on the fuck in a pocket racket.
No, man, Rhino, I'm a dog, man. I'm to your brother, man.
All right.
Nah, mind yo. Me make you one left yard like Black Rhino. Me got some links in a foreign ready for carbine, yo. Put you in a shallow grave where them can't find you. SK run dancehall, that what they blind to.
SK run dancehall. So SK, send kits, right? SK send kits?
Yeah, send kits.
Okay.
SK one song. Just already coming a man say we are 8 on the man song.
No, man.
Who said that?
Ian Bat,
go on, man, with the fuck man, you to be a fuck your type, brother. What you pan for song? What we do? We are react. Don't, hey, go on, we are going, man.
I will see your trigger finger typing, you know, want to come in here and talk to the man, them, you know, what's the way I go?
You can join the stream, you know, Ian Bat and talk. You see me?
Yeah, man, don't be afraid. I'll be a yard in there, but don't be scared.
Come on, man. Nobody not yet pan nobody's song, brother. We are reacting to the man them song, bro. What is wrong with them, bro?
Put you in a shallow grave where them can't find you. SK run dancehall, that what they blind to. Gunshot in a feet.
Me not agree with that statement, they do.
Yeah, me not. Yeah, me not like that. Yeah.
Me not agree with that statement. But obviously, everybody are got big up them place and big up themselves. They might say, yo, SK run dancehall. No.
Never hear about saying kids still Byron. I Joe me, don't come after my chat. I Joe me, I run.
No. SK run dancehall.
You see, that's why aim but attack boy. Yeah, the comments they won't now make it. That you never hear about say still Byron.
See, you love the fuck you know. Say I joke.
Say about the comments. Aim but fire point your aim on the link and click it and forward in the chat, brother. Come talk to me, bro. We there, you see me?
You in a shallow grave where them can't find you. SK1 Dancehall, that what they blind to. Gunshot in a face, any man make a step. You are going like so you never thief nothing yet. Beanie and Ellie are the biggest pirate.
Pause.
Me
in a coyote song, you know? Go on, talk.
Wait. So who must say I go like said never thief nothing yet? Teejay?
Coyote. Is a response to coyote song, you know?
Yeah, but
coyote my chat too,
no, but me see Teejay upon it. Me see Black Rhino upon it, so it could be any one of them there.
Tree grave.
It's not clear who him attack. That's why I ask you who him attack.
Coyote him attack, man.
But time this say Teejay go like say innovative not yet. Because remember the whole argument with Rose Dan did I say yo drift a theme song and thing. Remember you about that?
Yeah. Big thing that going about that. Yeah.
Rose Dan say him have the drift idea first and drop him song first. You see me? So it better if him this say yo Teejay go like me not understand what Coyote thief. You understand? No,
he must say Coyote thief none, brother. It's a response to Coyote song. Coyote, remember now?
What Coyote?
So I was thinking about 90s until listen to I'm say Beanie Man and
Buju and Ray. Yeah.
That's why I'm say yeah go and like say yo them man never thief nothing yet. You see me? I said that's why my response to Coyote song and Coyote the lyrics. And Coyote said don't sing about 90s, you know. Remember that?
Yeah.
And that's why I'm saying yeah go and say them Beanie Man and them that be remix them and the remix people song. You say,
okay.
Exactly. If you listen to the two of them together, brother. Yeah, man.
Make a step, you are going like so you never thief nothing yet. Beanie and Ellie are the biggest pirate. Every song them thief remix and remake. If you know Taliban's.
Yes, Ellie, you're a pirate. We know you're a pirate long time. Enough songs you sing over back. We know that. Enough melodies. We know that.
Exactly.
So for him, I say that is facts. I mean, I'm gonna say nothing because true that. Yeah, but look at this. Elephant, you're a pirate. See that? See that? Yeah, you feel no aim, but talk truth.
Gunshot in a face, any man make a step. You are going like so you never thief nothing yet. Beanie and Ellie are the biggest pirate. Every song them thief remix and remake. If you know Taliban's been a fight no feature. You know my style, we kill and collect. Foot a hype stop play music, I'm out in select.
You better kill everybody, brother.
Everybody the dog got killed. But just say in the comments now. Najee Edis make up yourself. Everybody comment section on YouTube. But see me I say please stop playing that song, bro. You're messing up there.
No, we have to get you, bro. I'm sorry. Bro, I'm sorry.
Your dog said it's more confusing than sexy. Your dog, there's too much people.
A true dog. What foot hype have nothing to do with this? Foot hype a selector. Keep it to the
let's talk about Byron. Remember, I got different saying kissing and foot hype. Let's talk about Byron. And remember that.
No, but he might try.
No, what I say.
Him not focus. Him not focus pan who him answer, bro. Him not focus, bro.
I say confused. All me can say is me happy. So the dog see the opportunity and he take advantage of the opportunity to come out and make we talk about him right now. That's one of the smartest move him make from a saying kiss and a saying it artist. You see me I say that in my video. I'm actually happy to say him take advantage at the moment. You see me I say it's a good move that for him. I like that.
True. Lecture me, bro. Give me 2 minutes, bro. Make we get through that song and then here we are, say, yeah? Go him dig off.
Every day like girl on the internet. Ramp with the scare you have to live in a regret. Collada forward and then flop. You forget when them say big dog and water little puppy collada. Keep forward and then flop. Style we kill am.
Who?
You know Collada?
Collado.
Same name.
The man name. Collado forward.
Bro, they on the live. I say, motherfucker, hey.
Collado for he is though. Collado forward and
flop.
So what? Me not understand. Me don't listen to that song there. Me done. Listen to that song there. Lecture, what go on, bro? Where you dealing with, fam?
Turn on talk a phone.
Lecture, you hear me? You lecture, stop watching stream, bro. Stop watching stream. All right. Him not say nothing. Yo, bro, that song I confused, brother. Foot hype. Khalid, what Khalid have to do with this, bro? Poor Khalid over there, so I sing him girl song them.
So like you just a comfy yard, man, that I pray.
No,
man.
but I know so, brother. I know so you do it, bro.
And
I know so.
A yard graveyard. Come for everyone I get it. Shot now miss.
Drop a link, my Sean. Come on, I raise the word. Drop a link again, in the chat.
All right, see that, Sean. See link, me, bro. Click on the link and put in the name, bro. I'm forwarding.
Easy one, two.
Foot hype start play music, I'm out in select. Every day like girl on the internet. Rampy desk, you
Hold up, pause. Colleague come and say kids and this saying kids and can't come back. Okay.
How him do that? When him do that?
See then I comments, me don't know what going on. He come and want show or something. What going over saying kids viewers and
forward no man, forward come tell you what going on because of the first man you about that, bro.
You violate the who? The order. My blood clot.
Forward come tell you what going on, man.
Click up a link. And come
where do you know? When Byron drop him song, everybody come out, you know. So what go on now? Don't make that make not come out, come say oh now say brother.
Yeah, man.
Right now, I'm mostly saying kids people are going in that chat here right now.
Well, it's confusing to me because we don't know most of what go on, especially in a saying kids it look like. You see me?
Yeah.
Everybody in the chat look like him know what go on and what take place. So come in and educate upon it, man.
Exactly.
So go on, bro. Yo, guys, drop some like on the street, man. 60 down there and a 26 likes, man. Come on, man. If you don't like it, one big spider go crying and here's when I sleep tonight.
Leave a like for the video, man. And drop some comments. If you don't want to comment, just one 5 emoji in the comment section. And when I want to comment, when I want to talk
share the live, man, to your granny, man. Even your great grandmother can watch your live, man.
Yeah, man.
Your auntie, your sister, your brother. Hey, you could have been just born.
That be a coyote. You can watch your live.
Coyote.
Yo, hold on there. Yo, Sean, what go on, bro?
Man, turn off your live and turn your talk off phone, Sean. What you going with, man? Turn off your camera too. The phone in the pan.
Yo, that comment there. I missed a comment a while ago. I look for you now, Teejay.
He maybe diss himself and don't know.
I never mention Gully back.
Yeah, he did. I think he did.
I lie, I tell.
But that lie, I could have swear.
If he mention Gully back, me done. Done.
Hold on. Maybe it's because this track name is Yardman. So I'm just come off a yard, period.
You not hear me now?
Yeah. Lecture. What go on, bro?
Alright. We did want to come in from the other day. Big up to all of everybody else on the stream, Zine.
Manners, bro.
Manners and respect.
My take on this still, me not gonna lie, me really see Byron really a follow it up again about. I feel like Coyote kind of theme song are the most impressive out of everybody one kind in terms of lyrics and direct him, my call him, everything.
Punchline.
So I feel like him more, you get what I mean?
Yeah.
Him more serious about it. I nah say TJ artist still TJ lyrical, but the one in me I give them song there 8 out of 10 on them thing. I not really get much from him.
No, but
I get much from him on them thing. So that's my take on it.
So you say Byron don't want TJ gonna forward off him name?
No man look like him easy back, you know, like must him not hype him up. I don't know if it's a like next Mastic and Alkaline thing. I don't know if that him up play.
To me, that's very silly. Because why put out a pre-release song then, and then leave it at that? But here this whole song.
Well, in a silly, because on a Byron start the clash, you know, cause remember say TJ release warning. Byron knows I ain't come for, so I'm just release something back. So it's not really silly, you know. Maybe the man don't want to keep it, but if a man this saying one song, you're gonna diss him back and then maybe you just want to level it from there. So you see it pray.
What the song name? The TJ drop. Warning. What warning mean? Warn the man I want about something, brother. Like, bro, leave me alone.
You as a yard man.
Yeah, no, really in it. You must say you just carry further.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah, the man I say, yo, brother, see me and love me, bro. See me and love me. Warning. That is what warning is, bro. I'm gonna give a warning, fam. You see me? It's not a threat or nothing. It's a warning. You see me? So,
yeah.
Him never did have to answer that. Him could have keep that energy there now and left it, but me not really want to go too hard with it because me hope same answer, dog.
The man was a popcorn.
But around 2 days past, you know, worst gamer. 2 days past now, you know, so you know think.
Three.
And I'll go on for that.
A 3 day, you know, bro.
Jano.
3.
Yeah,
You know
man.
what yard man stay. So maybe Byron say, you know what, stay right there. So wait till me come back and go for a big stone. Just give him some time.
That me go for 7. What
Yeah,
if the man
probably the
come out?
weight has slow him down, you know? You know what I'm saying?
Bucklat.
Thank you, people. Big up on yourself.
What if the dog come out, people, and gossip about man say, him take one day about time birthday in a film song. What if he come out with that song and mention that? So, him take him day off. Him say, oh, me I take 2 or 3 days off too. You see me, I say, man,
No, but we can understand why him take him day off him birthday. Him just buy mouse. Congrats, TJ, because I say big move.
Yeah, man. Hell yeah.
Him spend time with him woman and him kids and him family. We see that.
Yeah.
Big move that.
Byron could be in the gym too. You know?
Byron that perform. In just those stage show.
Yeah. In my work.
Yeah, man. I work hard, man.
Yeah.
I work, man.
And in a strip club with Swan and I throw money upon girl. I see everything will go on.
Yeah, man. I see what I go on, man. I'm on the socials, man.
Byron, by the way, this is us giving you the benefit of a doubt, bro. We need a song, bro.
Yeah, we need a song. Like up alive. Yeah, man. Big up on the
We don't need no.
Be honest, with all I know all I know, listen Jamaican music deeply. I feel like if Byron really take it serious and TJ take it serious, you'd get big enough, but I have a feeling that TJ the most likely win. Cause me know Byron long before Taliban's when I'm a power on Prince Swanee.
Oh,
and him sang them, him release song, but when you listen to the quality of song,
yeah,
it not really. I know something you can say, but that generate it's regular. I'm put it away there.
Alright, I'm gonna tell you this now. Married to Byron before Byron boss. Before Byron link with Swanee. Byron have sang with millions of views before him link with Swanee. Byron have look up a song named Toxic right now from Byron. If you don't have time. Married to Byron a long time. And that's why Swanee so because I see the potential. You understand me? So and I'll be a bad man and Byron used to do a send kiss.
So what big artist? Swanee or TJ? Just it's a half topic, but what big artist?
TJ,
CMA.
But it depends where you check it by. Views are overall.
Overall.
Well, me bias, me come from Jamaica, me as a TJ.
That's the thing with Jamaican people.
Me know, you know, cause the other day, me and watch, I think a Jamaica worst game, I watch on them video, them as somebody say them just know about drift. A drift, make them know TJ.
See me in the chat, brother, pocket rocket there.
I know me.
The fact say the person said that, it make me think say some of the other world. Remember say we come from something there in a reaction boss. We come from Jamaica, so we're gonna know the whole of them like Coyote. Enough people don't know when me nice or something go on, you know. Enough people who know say don't know that song.
Hey, guess what, my general? Me never remember say Coyote sing when me nice or something go on and me see the yard man badness come out. I mean I say, who this? I'm gonna go for the chair, I say, oh, me nice something go on. Me never know say him, no. I remember nothing about him after that song.
You have to mute the live, bro. Sean,
yeah, man, TJ until
go on, Sean.
Turn off the stream, Sean.
Yeah, man, you have to mute the live, bro. Take a delay upon you.
My son I can't.
Alright, really.
Yeah, I never know TJ before drift, but I didn't know Swanee. Before even Byron, I know Swanee.
Yeah,
man, we know Swanee from a long time.
Yeah, so Sean.
Brother. TJ bigger than all of them, dog.
Yeah. What TJ biggest song?
Enough, it's him and I've been brother.
Well, Anna, what TJ biggest song?
Rock Riches.
Rock Riches, definitely.
Yeah.
Rock Riches are the biggest song.
My type. My type. Yeah, I think that.
Rock Riches have about 68 million views, so that sound to me look like it gone more viral.
Up top boss.
Yeah, man, check Rock Riches views. I think that song is the only song for them channel that have that amount of views. Don't quote me on that still. Don't quote me on that.
60 million views?
Yeah, boy.
What that?
Brother, enough. Look up the man song them, brother.
Brother,
yeah, man.
TJ song them, brother. Easy, brother. But me,
yeah, man, it's bad song, man.
It's him enough.
But we have to also remember say, Byron song do more numbers than Rock Riches. Reason being, the time span where it takes for TJ do 60 million is 3
all
years.
right. That's why I'm ask pocket rocket. Where I look pan, where I judge it by, you know. Because remember say, if you go judge it that way, they would have say Byron bigger car in just about 3 months. I have 52 million.
But
And that's
also,
the million the views where TJ upon which is it take him around 1 year or so or
3
more
years.
for
3 years
that
it
go
say.
up so.
3 year the dog I say, yeah.
3 year. 3 year.
Well, it's been
So
up for 3 years.
if you check it depends on how you check it.
If you check it on views, you know, if you go off of views and likes, it's the same thing as overall. Like that,
we can't go views and
go by
likes
your whole
in
catalog. Nobody
these-
not gonna listen to your whole catalog.
No, listen now. We can't go on views in these day and ages because remember, so we have TikTok coming to play a big no, bro.
That's not true.
Remember, say TikTok bust a lot of songs in a reaction, boss.
Yeah.
I know, man.
So
Especially GIF, me feel say GIF is a TikTok thing.
Yeah.
But Taliban was a TikTok thing too.
It is, yeah. So
Taliban
no,
was a TikTok thing. No.
a rack to riches we attack. Racks to riches we attack. 3 years ago. 3 years ago, TikTok was around, but it was mainly for kids. Is when COVID forward in TikTok blew up because people there they made on board. A COVID make TikTok beginner, bro.
True.
You see me? So quick.
Yeah, that's true.
You see me? So that him song dropped before COVID chip in. And a bad song same way. But yo, DJ, what go on, J? DJ, mute the stream.
Turn
You
on
got
the
delay.
mic. Turn on the talker phone.
Him there, man. I stream my watch, man.
Man, I chat out Ross, you know, nobody not hear the man.
Yeah, remember so when Byron dropped him song and him said Taliban wasn't a dancehall song, you know. First.
Yeah. No, he
That
said it
was
wasn't
his
an
statement.
Afrobeat. He said it wasn't an Afrobeat song.
No.
And then
First him say it wasn't a dancehall. And then him say it wasn't Afrobeats, it's a dancehall. So you need to make up all in mind.
And then he goes to go drop remix with
Monday, I don't realize that Byron confused. Cause first, me rewatch Jeffrey's podcast and them a say him not say are the biggest song, but him a say I like the most known song. So me feel say Byron confused with the statement they were making.
Him say are the biggest dancehall song since 2005.
Yeah.
All right, pause. If you go back to Byron now and say, "Oh, he comes," him did say it wasn't a dancehall song. Him contradict himself, that's all.
Yeah, you see,
Wally Paris thing that they deal with for real, man.
I feel like Byron does him just attack some things. Him not take it into play.
No, listen, man. Everything is when you call it, when call everything on the past, so made a popularity stunt. That everything when talk, make people search with things, more clicks. You see me? I say the hatred is actually putting money in his pocket. You see me?
But also, bro, to me, he might put short-term money in his pocket because if him continue to make these outrageous statements, we in a one time right now where a cancel culture, brother. So people once them cancel you, bro, them are go cancel you. So him manager around him, I make sure so them teach him about damage control, bro. Cause if him don't know what that is, him I gonna end up get fucking at the long run, bro. You see me? Because
I'm biggest fan base, I'm telling that again.
No, it's not
alone. Now I agree with what the dog say.
So all right, so all right. You know they are Jamaica. You agree with them, I say?
Me? Me no follow none of them shit. Agree or not? Agree or not?
Not because.
Alright, but a big man level. Me not hear them thing until me see una talk about them thing. You see me? I say,
Yeah.
I'm not really depend on the internet. Me come here, me do my reaction. Me gone. Me work.
They're gone.
You
Yeah.
see me? I say. But
Also, remember say you have whole heap of Jamaican, millions of Jamaican who live overseas too.
True. But guess what? Them I go pay for game show because them Jamaican artists cannot travel to America. Them cannot travel overseas. And he might do it.
Yo, to me, it means for watching damage control. DJ, what going?
This credit skilly bang.
DJ Dawood. Him not here. Remember saying he joined last time, you know? He been joined last time. I put him camera on and attack.
A collab with Teejay and Skilly Bang. What that name?
Huh?
So what they say know about the collab with Teejay and Skilly Bang? What that song name?
Teejay and Skilly Bang do a collab?
I mean, no, I guess that was. You don't know that one day.
I don't really know about that still.
Know that one day.
No, I don't know about that one day still, my bro. You don't know about that one day still.
Yo, game, you did react to Byron, Mad Dog. You did react to the one. I'm not sitting on the channel.
No, the only song when we reacted for Byron, I'm not gonna tell a lie, was Taliban, and it wasn't even the original. It was the one with Burna Boy.
Yeah, man.
First. DJ, what go on? We not hear you. Can I watch the stream?
Watch the stream, man.
I watch the stream, man.
Yeah, man, the internet a beat, man, but good day, man. Bless up everybody, you know. And
manners and respect. Manners and respect. Wait again. Say that or Trinidad?
Trinidad, that man.
Nah, man. Yeah, man, Trinidad, man. One Trinidad, you know. One Trinidad, man.
Trinidad.
Yeah, man.
Boy.
But now, like, the dog people over there, man.
Yeah, man. But
yeah, what you say, bro? Sorry.
The clash. I think it can be over, you know, because too much of people are just jump in at the clash, you know, for no reason, you know. Yeah, man. Coyote and Ziddy and all kind of people are.
No, come on, you can't mention no Ziddy, man. If you notice, I had the first person that was Ziddy. What's Ziddy do?
Ziddy and Joe, so I make a little song, but I Joe.
Yeah, man, but guess what? Ziddy, you know what Ziddy do? Ziddy sing song, you know.
Ziddy can't even walk,
you know. Nah, man, you might be think a joke. All right, you might be think a joke thing, you know. No, man, it can, and it can go viral. For me, song go viral on TikTok. You answer, you know, so you have to get school, you know. Yeah, man.
And I said, you deserve a beating, Jano.
No, I think anybody in them right mind who reply to Ziddy, and Ziddy, me not style him, G. Anybody who reply to Ziddy, forget.
Never hear the Ziddy song. Let me hear the Ziddy song now.
Yo, you're there for your one already.
Oh man, what go on?
Ziddy, when this year Ziddy, but that one I don't for you.
Ziddy did make a song.
I don't know who about Ziddy manager, Ziddy Gallagher, whoever you are, stop it fuckery. On the top it. It's the man.
Yeah, man, I'm a Byron man, this Byron man.
Him remix for Alkaline song, brother.
Worst game, you know, just realize I thought before me join your live, because me there with playing at the club. Me there watch Pretty Dance. I just said, Ziddy's a little, what you call them people, like? Down syndrome, brother. If he keep himself outside, I bet they would laugh. Because she wrong for that, you know, but you're funny. You get what I mean?
When I entertain discrimination there with Pretty Dan and Pretty Dan do the right thing, you know. But when I say still, Ziddy, no disrespect.
Find that dog. Hold on.
Ziddy,
brother. Ziddy song is the best song for the market, brother.
Yo, on the top of the fucking my youth.
You can find Ziddy song them for black market, you know, find it on the regular market.
Yeah, black market, brother, that's illegal. Where's
Ziddy say
that?
So what you think?
Ziddy say,
man.
Ziddy, the last part, bad enough.
Yeah, so
Ziddy
what do you think about Coyote?
Coyote song bad.
Yeah, but so what you think about Coyote song? And Coyote address the man as both of us have one hit song. Which hit song Coyote have?
When I say something go on. Yeah.
That's a local hit, just like how I explained to the man them. You see, you don't know the song there.
Hold on, man. We are talking about local. I like not tell from local people. We live in one of the most conscious Americans.
What you want, bro?
That run over here.
None of it over there in the jungle somewhere.
Jamaicans play.
Jamaicans, Americans, it run over.
Yeah,
me
in Brooklyn. You live in America.
Yeah, Brooklyn, near yard. When it just drop.
Yeah. All right. In America, yeah, but guess what? You hear it wrong, the diaspora, you know. All right, listen, it have more Jamaicans living than in Jamaica, you know.
Yeah.
We know that.
Yeah.
We know that.
Yeah,
but remember say your boy Byron.
But all right.
So everybody all right. Can't do it.
Yeah, but listen, all right, listen. Byron song, you can go and sing it. Listen, you can sing Byron song to college people, you know.
Yeah.
The college people no Coyote song, them no Byron song.
Because
it crossover. Coyote song can't sing in one college party, and man, them are gonna stone him.
You say my 4-year-old and my 1-year-old can't sing the song.
No, that song they were Coyote and call it song is a party song, you know. It's a party song still, you know.
One of the members say it's very few this song get places, brother. Very few this song gets to places. Look on a song like Microwave. That song there is a bad song, but guess what? It's a this song is very limited.
All right.
It's very limited.
All right, listen now. All right, listen now. And Byron get away with murder. You know why? Because him use Taliban, and you know Taliban is not a very found word in America. You know Taliban him use, you know. Yeah. When they hear words like Taliban, they like an outcast word, you know.
Who you attack? Richard is attack.
Byron.
No, but
Byron him attack.
No, but if Taliban
Byron, you know, him use Taliban full of bomb like.
No, but
yeah.
Taliban, if the word Taliban was such a big taboo song in America, I believe that song wouldn't have gotten where it's gotten so far, because Taliban song is big in America too. Nobody have no issue with him. I use Taliban song. Taliban name.
Me hear Taliban on the radio every day.
Yeah.
Every day.
That's one day in a pass.
Same way.
The word.
Drift and gam.
Yeah, drift up on the radio too.
This is a dancing song.
Like,
Nah, I'm not giving no time, you know.
I give him
We know that, man.
Fuck it, Rocket, we have against TJ. We realize you have some TJ.
I give him, I'm like, fuck.
Nah, fuck on me, man. Yo, Sean, no, not Sean, DJ. So why Byron don't reply to Unwanted Child? Cause that song there is a step on corner, brother. That's that song the body now.
Nah, man. As I say, you know, too much of people are trying involved in the war, you know, and
excuse that.
Yeah, man. We not, you know.
To me, that's an excuse.
Nah, man, I no excuse, you know. Nah, man.
You can't stop a man from showing a one punch. If you're the man of
remember,
I hear them stand up there. You can't stop a man from showing a one punch, brother. You cannot stop a man from showing a one, unless them say, all right, then see the boxing ring here, see two gloves here.
No, man, I know.
Where is it?
No, man. Me want the war for go on, you know, but the war can go on, you know, but Coyote not fi involved in the war. Tell him go find another hit song, man.
All right. I think the reason why.
Yeah, man, him fi go find another hit song, man.
I think.
Or look a remix for Asome Guan. Let me look another. Yeah, man.
Him have a remix for that, by the way.
Not so involved in the war,
yeah,
man.
Exactly. I think the reason why people are gravitated to Coyote song so much, because Byron take too long for reply, brother. If Byron did reply 48 hours after TJ song, we wouldn't be discussing Coyote song so much, brother.
At all. Would pay attention to it? None at all.
Exactly.
I wasn't gonna react to it.
And if you notice, reaction boss, me tell you something, I react to it. Me tell you something, I'm not doing a video to it. Until
all right.
Yeah.
No. Me I got to talk the truth, you know. Me I got to talk the truth. The Coyote song is the baddest song better than TJ song and Byron song, you know.
Yeah, man, Black Rhino song, yeah.
What
song
I
is
think,
the baddest song in the country.
Black Rhino have a song.
If them want to attack, if don't pay no mind, brother. You know, see, man, a troublemaker, man.
The one that's a Black Rhino, right? This song.
I think Prince Swanee, if he drop a song, this TJ and this Coyote, I make Coyote and Prince Swanee go at it, if I saw, and then make Byron and TJ knock face. I that me think, bro.
Hold on, Coyote, I will go at it.
All right, but guess what?
Well,
brother, TJ change the name, you know.
But let me tell you this, you know, we let me tell you this. All right. We Trinidad on top. Nobody career, you know, like Coyote, you know, himself, man. Prince man, he used to give back no strength, man. Let him find a hit song.
Me get that. That's true. Me get that. That's true. That's a fact.
Mm.
But if him song never bad, we wouldn't be talking about it. But the next artist, or whatever him name is, big up yourself, my G.
Them say, if you finish Tata song still, I'm not lie to you. Cause more lyrics in there,
Dag, you said the man this Gullibop.
War artist.
You said the man this Gullibop, right?
Brother.
No, I never
The
said
song
that.
confused like the man name.
What you say?
Let's listen to the rest of the song, man. They want to hear the rest of the man's song, man.
Brother.
You said the man this Gullibop, brother. What Gullibop, brother?
When do this Gullibop?
No, man. Lie your tape and Gullibop, man.
Gullibop the god of last.
The man say, yeah, there's
So we're going up for doing all of this.
That me I say like
the man
said
everybody
Gullibop,
brother.
I joke me I that the man never mentioned Gullibop, man.
A Tyreek boy, they know.
The whole Caribbean, I'm support them, man. The whole Caribbean, man.
all right. Make we continue from where we left off then.
Yeah, finish it up.
But in our mind, yo, me make you one left yard like Black Rhino. Me got some links in a foreign ready for carbine, yo. Put you in a shallow grave where them can't find you. SK on Dancehall, that what they blind to. Gunshot in a face, any man make a step. You are going like so you never thief nothing yet. Beanie and Ellie are the biggest pirate. Every song them thief, remix and remake. If you know Taliban's we no fight no feature. You know my style, we kill and collect. Foot hype stop play music, I'm out in select. Every day like gal on the internet. Ramp with SK, you have to live in a regret. Collide forward and then flop. You forget when them say big dog or what, tell the little puppy coyote keep on when you nice for your
Ratatata. Me know why you feel say Coyote is a fuckery artist in a brother. Coyote did I do him girl song and yeah, bring him in a something where the man left. Remember said Coyote clash with Massacre in a brother. Oh no about that clash there.
No, man, nobody want
No,
that.
I'm never hear about that.
Wickedest, one of the wickedest clash ever. Underground clash them.
Underground, yeah.
It wasn't even on the grand scheme of things, it wasn't even that long, bro.
No, sir. About 5 years, 10
4 years ago.
Before Massacre get the big blow.
Yeah, bro. About 2014, 2014.
Yeah, 2014.
Never born yet.
Well, there's a Massacre now, boss.
Brother,
Americanized.
some lyrics dropping on them in other words between Coyote are bad artists in the brother. Some don't want to feel like Coyote are some little idiot artists in the. Some you know where this youth I mentioned. To me, that line the pointless cause the man not in a nothing with their brother. We don't even see him.
No worst game, I see somebody in the comments for YouTuber say Khalid they come and send kids like come perform and in this like the country and he end up have to come back and can't go back there, I guess. Something like that.
So is the man Teejay too?
But that person that in the comment section, I not say nothing else, him gone. And we are telling him to join the stream. But him not join.
Man. Keyboard.
Coyote for clash K-Man. No man, nobody can clash K-Man, man. K-Man too blood. You clash him, you clash the fucking devil. Gone.
I thought me the
man, yo, you see him there, brother. No wonder what this be watching. Brother,
listen, man.
What we want call? When you? Evil man there.
Evil
man. Roger
Wild.
Oh.
Yeah,
and then 2 man never slash.
No, Roger now with that.
No man, him worse. Leave him alone.
Yeah, let me continue.
Yeah, right.
More get over that song, brother.
Yeah.
Set the lasers upon your forehead and you done. Now the Glock them chip out. Eyeball pick out. Teeth get kick out. Forensic see the shell them a free recount. Close casket when SK man step out. Every shot I connect don't look fin or rebound. Me mother than Bellevue. Not even hospital so sick. No thumb face me the box no give no kick. Not AKs with extra clip. Shaney run in I guess this song no hit flap.
Was the Shady running and him sang not it flap.
Yo, if you see me in my reaction, brother, I got search up see if Shady drop song because I don't know what I got talk about it, dog. Which song Shady drop?
No, in drop a song.
It's a long time song.
No, man, in drop a song last week, but it wasn't. It wasn't a direct because remember, say him and Teejay not good enough. So if him a drop a song, it's going to be after Teejay. We don't know. So remember saying no. All right. This youth there say him a kill everything.
Yeah.
But if him pre the thing deep, him fi know say if anything, Shani would have on theme side.
What the man? Because Shani a turn back. Shani a back.
He can't view.
When I man this everybody.
Yo,
I don't understand what the brother know about the whole of Jamaican artists. So like, hey,
No,
what
would even ban him from Jamaica?
No, social media, man. Social media, bro.
Well, I couldn't laugh after the man sang, so now that I know I see the man singing. I'm trying to show you.
No, man, listen, dissect the song, brother. Dissect the song, brother, man.
Brother, me nah bash him in reaction. Me nah bash him in, bro. But when me I say some of the name them when I call up to me, no make no sense. But like the person said in the comment section earlier and say, call it the forward, SK and this up some people. Me at first not hear that.
I'm not gonna lie to you.
You see me? And I would like a St. Kitts person for giant and come tell me, just tell me what go on there so and then dig off back if you want to dig off. But tell me what go on there so. You see me?
Somebody from St. Kitts coming up on the live and come chat to you real quick.
Yeah, man. You see me? Just click the link at the top of the chat and just forward in. You see me? All right.
Ian Bat,
see the link
forward over here, man. You know you're still there.
See the link there. Ian Bat, remind me of the person who joined and this way up with for alkaline and cut again. Remember that you there?
Man, they are here Taliban.
Man, let me get alkaline man there forward for you. Them man there.
Yo, man, alkaline, yeah, man. Big up alkaline. What the question I Sunday, yeah.
Read the comment, man. Jamaicans are biased. We can all agree to that.
Which one that there?
Now the comment them, man, they must say them now here Taliban are playing a Jamaica ring off like them used. You see free, but who biased with you? I don't know knew that.
No, brother, that's obviously lie. As a Jamaican, it playing a Jamaican.
Yeah?
It play.
But you have members say the whole last song get. Members say every day something is born, you know.
True.
But why is bigger than Taliban right now?
Me a selector and me play.
Run back the song you want to do.
Hold on. Make get you. Rodney, you sang long enough, brother? Make you go.
Yeah. No kick, not AKs with extra clip. Shaney one in, I guess this song no hit flap. Jeff fully out or you now for your nothing. Can't pull up your kick down the pot of curry mutton.
This is not a diss song to
this Jeff
live on YouTube right now.
Jeff on this.
Man, I like this curry mutton.
You can't this Jeff brother. Can you see the song? Hold on, if you listen Jeff song, you know, so me feel like Jeff song better than Coyote song overall. It would have win the whole clash.
Jeff drop a song in the clash?
No man, but before this song when we drop Byron the time. If you listen to that song that if him fit no man the diss track for Byron.
Yeah.
If he really take up the warrior and get in, feel like him probably would have been far than Coyote.
Oh, Jeff.
So me don't really think him want fire shot them the way. If you stay upon Coyote level, because they say him there to me.
Brother, Coyote a bad artist. I don't want to take Coyote light, brother. Coyote a bad artist, bro. Don't think Coyote a normal artist for real, dog. Anyway, continue.
Skull cap boss off easy like shot button. Dead gunshot.
Who for skull cap boss off easy like shot button? No.
Can't pull up your kick down the pot of curry mutton. Skull cap boss off easy like shot button. Dead gunshot. Let your stunt bend up in a double. Yo, feel you bad. We will flap you like fully bad. Rifles.
You don't want it with fully bad, bro. Me I tell you. Don't, brother. Stop.
Fully bad, bad you, man.
Don't, you don't want it with fully bad, brother.
Fully bad.
Yo.
Only I know when he used to go off of Africa.
So the man say yard is a burial ground, man.
Yo, feel you bad. We will flap you like fully bad. Rifle sing melodies like Gully God. If you violate and live you is a lucky lash.
The only person in big up a Gully God so far. Big up Gully God.
Vada lads.
Yo.
Fully baggies, rifle sing melodies like Gully God. If you violate and live you is a lucky lash. Shock, them a ball. They really want no wagwan. If I clash the dead before man, any one of them saying kids a run dance hall. When them say big dog a water, tell you go pick a yo the keep on winning.
Eh?
No, I hear them one. That shit way. Saying kid.
What's the dash way dog? Yo, tired.
No, want to hear the ending. No, who knows the song?
Another thing with the ending that song on my house. If anytime Cash go on, my house go to the end because more hear the man them attack at the end of this thing.
Skip to the blood clot and
then need to bring a new artist.
Let me go.
This is fight in the line.
Set the layers upon your forehead that you done, no they glock them chip out. Eyeball pick out, teeth get kick out. Forensic city shell them a free recount. Close casket when SK man step out. Every shot a connect, don't look fin or rebound. Bad we bad. Think I alone bad? Fall back in a gully with some dog shit and pad.
Wait,
Him not just big up Movado.
You see the same thing? You see why I'm showing skip this song, you see?
Him big up Movado, but him say him in a gully with dog shit and pad. Somebody in a gully, I don't know about that.
Yeah, but if him say gully, that don't mean say him a this Movado.
Let's make sure.
Because enough gully they are Jamaican already.
Fall back in a gully. You drop in a gully with some shit and pot or whatever that does say.
Shit and pad himself. Yeah. just like him now in they eat the girl. No, level.
What?
Yeah, tell him, brother.
In a gully with some dog shit and pad. This saying kids are mad.
Mad boy. Yo! Big man artist. What you talking about?
But big man made.
Yo,
worst game and reaction boss. Pack your kid. Only think about that song. Can me get that a 5 out of 10? You know? That even make it in the war to me.
Well, they get a 5 out of 10. Tell me one line from the song.
No, man. You can't. You always come with that fuckery, you know. Go to the line of the song.
Get kicked out. Something kick out. Everybody get kicked out and all of them.
One time,
tell me which line I don't remember. Which line I don't remember?
Him say, oh, Tita get kicked out and them thing there. You know, catch. You know, wait, so
yeah. For sustain a song, for no good enough.
A big one buckler forward right now. Answer that.
All right. Yeah? Let me say my pertaining to Graveyard by Ratatatata, Rodney. This song should have constructed more better because you trouble people who not trouble you personally. If you want war in the song, call up Coyote name, call up Rhino name because Rhino and the Trinity them have a issue. Call up Teejay name. Yeah, call up everybody else's name when not in the war. Cool. The cover art better than the song for me.
True. Yeah.
The cover art is very, very creative, better than the song. But if him continue and drop this song like this, I have to label him as St. Kitts Ziddy.
No.
Guess what? I disrespect that.
If him continue doing that, bro.
No, man, I disrespect that, man.
Reaction boss, what you say?
Somebody said 0 to 10 to block Teejay. Trinidad. Walla, what? Teejay can't go back at Trinidad?
When them ban him?
Whoever says 0 to 10 is not that bad, you know.
When them ban him?
At that more, no. Him can't go back at Trinidad, man. Let's talk him and talk in a conversation. But anyways.
Well, see what I go on, man.
Prime Minister, man. Immigration.
Officer Gary. So anyways, the song from the St. Kitts artist, so them call Rodney Tat. Rodney Tat. That's his actual name. But I better fuck around the man thing. The song, all my probably song in a master mix good. That's me I say. Me nah go bash him for that. I'm done telling her, I actually like what the dad do when he jump out and just step in and take advantage of opportunity to get his name out there. We are talking about him because we have a bigger platform than him. You have more subscribers than him. Me have more subscribers than him. A long time I do music, I actually go do a little research for them thing, dog. And the man, I never see them more him sang them, but him I get more views than that one that will come out. Now, obviously, that one that will right now, we are doing this right now, people are listening to it. Just like we just have a laugh about the thing, that's sometimes a little give me thing in the war that nice for the war. I'm not like to. So I would just have a laugh that good for we just have a reason about it and a laugh. Yes. That's my
all right. Why in this people that don't even
who in this?
Man say man, this is the whole graveyard.
Yeah, man.
No, not cemetery.
Kaledo. Fully bad. What fully bad deal? Fully bad. Where fully bad deal?
Worst game, I remember say man I say a graveyard in thing in the pants. I guess everything when him carry car.
Cemetery.
Bad this, you know.
Yeah, man, a graveyard, man.
Going back to the cover art, it better if him they put whole heap of grave then in the cemetery and just put everybody name in this one.
Alright, that part that lie to that one.
Oh, get on say you know relevant to you.
The biggest artist in Jamaica still, Vado, so you know.
Vado's not in Jamaica.
Finally get a blood clot reaction from him. Watch him now.
Well, shut your fuck, man. I'm going to church. Yo, big up big up Rodney still. You take the opportunity just like Coyote did. But Coyote sang better than Theme song.
Yeah.
Coyote sang better than Theme song.
All right, play the one.
Genuine man, brother.
I'm telling you, I forgot on the black word, man.
Search it for TikTok.
No, for TikTok, you know.
TikTok Mary fan, brother. Walk your ball, Cree. That's how you go.
You guys take a lot of things different.
I thought me a cherry right there. So yeah. What am I say? As it come from other Caribbean, blah, blah,
No.
To do dance. We never said nothing like that.
We're not saying that. We're not saying that at all. We love for every island, every Caribbean island. Love.
All right, people. Highlight though have nothing to do with the clash right now, people. So we're not gonna run that one day.
Oh,
you must say is that they matter about another Saykis artist I'm the reaction to. Cause a lot of my viewers them over here right now. That nothing to do with the clash. We're not gonna run that one day, people. But a big artist that.
Guys, if you don't want me to reaction, just drop it in the comment section, man. And I'm gonna react separately, man. But Byron, we need a reply, brother. Don't make me start sing Alkaline Line, brother.
Brother. What me say? Where Byron there? You know, every day I check YouTube and can't find the song.
Brother, Mr. Me up until Thursday night.
Yo, we're gonna sleep until 2 o'clock in the day. I say that you drop.
Brother, I'm supposed to stream. I'm in a stream, brother. I'm up until me. I'm a drop. I'm say, yo, all right, then. I go to man lock down my system and going on my bed, brother. I'm check again. Come here, say if him reply me, I come back, come turn on my system again.
Yeah, brother.
Nothing.
Come and see him post the happy feed for him page.
That's serious as I got drop.
I'm say, yeah, song, not a song to.
Like you not start the dog.
No, sir.
So the question
we're not starting, but you need to continue.
Cause him
follow up him first song.
He answer first song and
run. and even that the man that say, yo, that song that was pre-recorded. That the man them come to the conclusion of, and it led me to believe that also. Because they never answer nothing in our
why you just say that and it sound what matter about shoot up the car then with the magic fan? That sound like a recent
No, we're not. It's pre-recorded.
Close friends.
It was pre-recorded aiming at Drift, not warning, because he never answered nothing in a warning, bro. That is why I think say it's pre-recorded.
Oh. Well, if you look at it like this, remember I said warning was just a warning. It never really come out direct at the man. So maybe, you know.
No. A Byron we attack him come out direct because he mentioned Drift and that song was bad.
Remember saying worst game I really start the war, you know. I think when them did that some testing.
Yeah.
I think the Shadowban theme Taliban song.
Yeah.
So I think that's why it would have really be a distracted Drift, you know. It kinda makes sense. Yeah.
And then we see the post were leak with Byron where he must say
close friends there.
And Teejay. SYM, you see me? So, boy, just get me hype up and blood start rush.
Yeah.
I say, yo, reaction time and
war again. War is in the air. I hear
tire with no spear.
I hear Turdan. You want war?
We love war.
Byron run.
Snipe up on the building top.
Byron don't run.
You want to I didn't feel the million pan.
Everson need to reply to the man. The man busy. But Byron come from Trinidad. Oh, him run. Byron come from Trinidad.
You should remind me at the time when Silk Boss and Josh have something. Silk Boss as a Josh runner.
You must say Byron and a woman born away, you know, according to TJ. So we don't know where him come from.
Yo, me not entertain you, dog. I'm not one of the people that cancel me, brother. Not entertain you, fuck you, dog. That me I say no. Remember say I stream, dog. Oh, yeah, all right. Yo, so I would like to hear a reply, and me mean an Instagram post reply, bro. Would like to hear a reply, dog. I'm met the war because TJ ready, dog.
Byron
ready,
yard, man.
You know,
Byron in feelings all night. I feel feelings sticking when I post.
Brother, both artists busy. Both artists have 2 big songs right now where around the world. Both artists busy. But the man I need for you. If
Byron from St. Kitts. No, Byron reside in St. Kitts. He's from Jamaica, bro.
He's not from Jamaica.
Byron, I don't want to hear TJ.
You're just saying
unwanted, brother.
TJ said that, not me.
Not me.
We have to put that out there on me. So, Byron, if you're listening, G, big up yourself. Thanks for the 5 minutes of entertainment, but give me an next 30 minutes, please.
Yeah.
We need something, bro.
You see freestyle when they do for mad. Let's sing your mad dog.
Yeah, man, more.
Yeah.
Please
Yo,
go
when they look for the man, they
yeah.
see living pig face for the man dog.
Yo, Shane, Shad.
Yo,
Hey,
me can't see pig.
No, man.
So we talk about that song there for real. Byron said we name Mad Dog. I think we hear the song one time. You see me and say, and then as we start to the song, you remember me a Prince one song named Bag of That.
Live reaction for you right now, then, car. I don't know if game see it.
To me, the song there, me listen to it already, but to me, the song there, it is alright.
It sound just like Prince one Bag of That. I see a person sing it. They me vex me feel like if kill. Hold on, kill some of them. Hold on, Trini, yeah.
All right, where's it there? Guys, please drop a follow up on my TikTok now, please, guys. See the thing there. I do stream on TikTok quite a lot. See the link there. Yo, where's the song name again, guys? Because when I tell me for react, and not tell me that's a react to the song. Which I mean, Alkaline song was the thief.
Who's it this?
Why, you must be the first person to type in Ziddy name on TikTok for find him, locate him.
No, but look him there. I see that.
You can't find it. Oh, you find it?
Yeah, man, I have it, man.
Yeah, this one here, this one. Oh, now here?
Oh, let me react to that on your phone.
I want to say easy buckler.
Yes, Ziddy.
Ziddy that come to take peace.
Yo, the man vocals up, man. Run it, man.
Hold on. Run tune.
Yo, sorry, guys. I want to say easy buckler.
Yeah.
Brian Messia. Ziddy that come to take peace of this. Hey, Brian Messia, where you know? Hey, boy, don't ball green. Tell Saint-X, we full of technique. Violate Teejay, you're right, me. Pull up on your hands and I can't sue your bumbo class, Ziddy.
Ziddy a gunman, man. I'm telling you.
Yeah, what you have to say? Because I had the reaction in the reaction bars. What you have to say to it?
I saw what the react you say, man. Just look for the dog and make the song, man. Is it me? I say, go on, man.
Just tell me when to pause. I just say what you say. I had the reaction.
Run through.
Live reaction, guys. By reaction bars. Yeah, this one here, this all.
Yeah.
Out of many one people. I want to say easy buckler. Brian Messia.
So like a Brian the dog set the blood. The dog said Brian Messia. Ready?
I'm gonna say, have you there on TikTok as Ziddy sing Taliban one time to man. Run it though.
Everybody sing Taliban.
Hey boy, Brian. Hey Brian Messia, where you know? Hey boy, don't ball free. Tell Saint-X, we full of technique. Violate Teejay, you're right, me. Pull up on your ends and that's how we start squeeze. Some of them say them a do it, but them not do it like we. No talk, they are where they hear about. Warrior, they are where they hear about. Whoop it up, make it clear out. Any Byron, they have to clear out.
Turn off that dog.
Stop it.
React to that, so the that's what my camera.
Play. Listen to the last part I told me.
Let's say something like garbage.
Finish it.
Let's play it.
Finish it.
Like Sharon, Barry Chris Brown with one bag of man. Never see it yet. A bar with the man. You want you? Man said never see Brian a bar do man yet.
This need for word.
One bag of man behind Chris Brown.
This not word to getting copyright place already, my right now. I'm tell you for that big man. This not word getting the copyright already, my right now.
Yeah, true.
Yeah, this not mine, man.
Yo, it's too late. I get copyright already. Gone over 10 seconds. Too late.
No word, dog.
Don't a yard crash in a man. You this yard man. I guess you go wrong. When we hold you, you go ball like Sharon.
Voila, what? You go ball like Sharon.
That did it.
This young man.
Big up yourself, Ziddy. Big up yourself. People run Ziddy. Wanna start make Ziddy the fuckery? Yeah, wanna stop.
I'm character, so I make money.
Yeah. Alright, body song and I stash me. I tell them, brother.
What that?
Yeah, but girl. Yeah, but girl. It's my jeans.
Yeah, right.
What's up, you?
Yo, Byron, big man thing still, bro. You need to reply, bro. We need an answer from you, dog. We need a reply from you, bro. Big man thing.
expeditiously, like T.I.
Yeah, dog.
No.
Would never say him a par with thing that popcorn.
Who?
Byron. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Byron and Swandan, yeah, man.
I wonder if a popcorn advise them and say, yo, load that.
Just tell, brother, me tell you that from the first stream, me tell you, them man they go pull a popcorn.
Yeah, popcorn.
Me tell you who the man there on. I'm tell you what I got. Me tell you what I got. Me ready, brother.
Yeah. Which cover are the thing? You think Pterodynamic? You might put him for the fat body or a skinny body.
What you say?
Trackstar. Pterodon. I never really covered. Same man start run. You know, you normally put them for Usain Bolt body.
I call him
Which body you put him for?
I call him look more ask him. I call him look more ask him. Cause I know the man there up to something like that. But yo, the crash done too quick, bro. To me, the crash done, brother.
Me ask a question. If Byron was to reply, what one thing saying could have come with? Because Teejay done cut off drift, you know. You can't say nothing more drift. As I mean, you can't address. What else you can't address? You can't address hit song no more. So what else when could have come with at this point?
If he's creative enough, man.
This you know, so I need to do research on Teejay and find out where my come.
Because you have to remember, say people there are mobile who don't rate Teejay neither, no, brother.
Yes,
who know Teejay personally, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So them people they can reach out same way.
Mm-hmm.
You see me? So him after the only way him can kill Byron flat. I make Byron definitely can't answer unless him do a Eminem, brother.
Oh, come spill all them skeletons.
Yeah,
that's facts.
And let him do Eminem and tag everything about himself, and then the war start. Then that different, brother.
Yeah, man. Cause Teejay kind of tie up our loose ends when him say, "Yo, you address the drift, you address damn, I forgot the song. Where's the dog? I just on the song, them one.
Collision.
Yeah, him go after. He reply to Collision, and he address drift, and he address the hit song thing. So you can't come more with no more hit. Oh, me have hit song, and you can't come no more with drift. Cause Teejay don't tie that up, you know, tie up the end, you know.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. We'll find some new information.
Shit. In a Teejay song, we seen fire off a DJ Mac also.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Tony Pan, you are Mac. So, and that another thing. Me say Mac is working with Byron. What you think that's true?
Possibly because Mac a art producer right now.
Yeah, and Mac probably have some information on Teejay, you know.
Mac are on the streets right now, bro.
Yeah, man.
Without a shadow of a doubt. Big up Mac. Mac are on the streets right now.
Man, DJ Mac are putting in work, man.
Yeah, man. So we say because if you remember when Teejay go live, you know, he made us say, yo, that little emoji thing there, him know what it our man from Jamaica, rare. So is it Mac he's talking about?
Yeah, that's what enough people are saying. Mac put him up to that. Yeah. That's crazy, you know what I'm saying? Mac probably know enough about Teejay, you know, probably say that on Byron. Would that make it clash even nicer still, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cause remember say it's not all about the gun thing and this and bust out, brother. Yeah. There's some facts. You have to be creative and put them facts together, bro.
Yeah, man, run them file, man.
Yeah. Run them file.
Run them file, you know?
Yo, too much bad artists in a dancehall right now. In a proper clash now go on, brother.
Facts, man.
And enough of them now do nothing. Enough of them now do nothing.
For real.
So the
enough of them need a clash.
What the artist clash in a recent memory for you know?
Recent memory? Artist clash?
Me I go last because me have my clash when me know the artist clash, but enough people never pay attention to it.
Recent clash. Now going cartel and move on.
No, after that.
After we attack, with that problem, with that kind of nice squash and thing that they are going for.
Nah.
I hear one that.
Oh no, we attack since year or since last year.
New generation. Well, Mali and Pablo thing, me say nice like that. Nice, that's between
Popcorn and Alkaline.
A clash with the nice between Jamil and Tamili.
That we are talking about.
Yeah, with the nice, so you can say, yo, tuna fling. Between Jamil and Tamili, man.
All right, watch it now.
So I'm the Popcorn and Alkaline. Nah.
Sign the body.
Yeah, we didn't want the clash.
Because
the song it wasn't.
Enough people forget the clash, brother. You see the clash between Gage and Shane, brother?
No, that is bad.
Brother, you see the clash between Gage and Shane. Brother,
there was a clash between Gage and Shane.
There was a clash.
Remember, brother, each artist give you 4 minutes. What a song, what a lyrics in, brother. I told lyrics is a clash in, bro. Clarity, punchline, facts, brother, everything line up in, bro.
True.
But enough people never pre it. Because I two artists, but brother, that clash there was
bad artist. Gage a bad artist and Shane a bad artist.
May have two. Jamil and Version as well.
Jamil and Virgin.
Oh, yeah.
That they go and go.
And I think them clash they too short, so you not register in a memory.
Yeah.
They're not register in a memory, too short, man.
What is that Gage?
Mine was actually Jamil and the Law Boss, like that bad cover bad song them making beat and time with the song.
And Jamil. And Jamil go kill himself.
But I thought about that. The whole
as you said that, one to when Law Boss and squash them. No, when Javilani and them people they are clash, we must say Law Boss and squash.
When the clash, you didn't get fully.
Javilani, but they can't. I just didn't relevant again.
And those couple song they drop, man. That never lead nowhere.
Yeah, you couple song they drop.
But remember saying teach them, big up teach them did ask Jamil about the clash with him and Labas, the clash them when having, and him said Labas game the best run for money, brother.
Who's that?
Teach him ask Jamil about the clash, because obviously him clash with Tamili and him clash with Labas, and him say yo Labas game the best clash. Labas is not a normal artist, that's why people don't call Labas name, brother.
Yeah, man, come on, man. Chronic Club, but you know, lyrics ideas.
Labas have time for him hands, brother.
Yeah, man.
Labas have time to kill something now.
Too much time.
But you still can't afraid. You see me? You still feel brave enough to say, yo. You know what I'm saying? I'm putting on your best. You see me? Yeah, man.
Because I know it's here, boy, I have too much lyrics in him back.
You know, it's a Chronic Club different, man.
Yeah, man, it makes different.
Alien.
Yeah, man, it makes different, man. But big man thing. I was quite surprised to hear how Jamil deal with Tamili, brother.
What? Nobody didn't expect that. Man.
The man said, Eli Rai also. Remember Batia also. Yo, the man said some things in the brother.
But Tamili, the bad still. But no, the reason why I think Jamil, people that say Jamil kind of take the clashes because nobody was expecting. He was the underdog. And the level him rise to, they have to just have a game. You know what I'm saying? It's like, damn, bro, we didn't expect this out of you. If you know, say, yo, we think you're a reggae artist.
Let's big up. Yeah.
You know, run out brawling for Tamili, that everybody have to pay attention to that one.
But baddest artist that was in the sixth camp when sixth camp was artist was Labas, brother. We all know that.
Labas, everybody sing. I'm all the lyricists in there now. I don't want to sing Jay.
Well, you're kind of right, bro. When I say sing Jay, you're kind of right, but squash, bro. Labas, squash I lead after a reason, bro. Them man they know for me fits, bro. My lead after a reason. If that's a lyrics, though.
Melodies.
Yeah.
Melodies.
Him having melodies and him look a quirky style where him have.
Squash. Lyrics, you know, man. Squash.
It's like, I be a good man tune he used to sing, you know.
But
when they know them time.
You see,
when
all
I love you, man, they used to sing, be a good man tune.
Yeah, man, he used to phone boss, man. But yes,
no, me I say compared to Labas, bro. Him not on lyrics. Compared to Labas.
Yeah, lyrics. Lyrics.
Yeah.
You can't be Chronic. You talk about overall.
Left him by mile. Ron left him.
Question now. And chat, question. More no answer to. And don't answer bias. Who would have win a clash between Massacre and Alka?
Massacre, that's him with that.
Massacre.
Problem me start no.
And the problem I start
Nah. You pull out all the thing and ain't no test yet.
Is it? I can go in?
Alright, hold on.
Hard.
That would have come like say cartel verse. Must be Beanie Man.
Why?
What?
No, man. Two bad artists. We are say.
Two bad artists, boy.
We are say.
Two bad artists.
same thing. No, same thing. Alkaline body, no. But Massacre is lyrical to a level where me never see Alkaline touch yet. Me see Massacre make story. You see the 450 Cold Street, if you realize the 290, a Massacre song, him listen and make a song of it.
No, but
there's a lot of similarities.
We can also say Massacre listen to Meek Mills also.
Everybody get an inspiration.
Inspiration come from.
As somebody saying at the start of the song, everybody listen to one song.
Everybody.
Somebody saying in the comments, everybody, them study Smarty flow, because somebody has said Jeff Beat and Byron. So at the end of the day, everybody listening to each other's song. You know?
man, there's the Jeff that not song. But they complain about flow.
But honestly, back from our worst game, I say, I have a feeling say Massacre nah lose that fight there.
Brother, Massacre go kill him with gun tune, brother.
I would have read in that comment section.
Yeah, but listen now, Massacre clash Khalid and Demark and them man. Alkaline ready for all them this again.
You forgot to Alkaline go toe to toe with the world boss. You can't give Massacre win so easy, man. You can't give lose so easy.
I wish comment read, brother.
The man say, yo, Jamaican got a hit out a year. But God, yo, the comments are go crazy now. But sorry, I killed myself.
Yo,
boy, right now, read the comments.
Right now, I was not gonna do any live because I was waiting for Byron to forward, but you know, forward, and I'm quite disappointed. 3 days gone.
Not a song.
3 days gone. It's like him get a week, but it look like him week out, guys. So, we don't need to make the man. Just say something. Just say ABC.
Come on, man. Make it play nice. Make wake up a man and see a new tune. Make
happy, man.
Happy. You know what people do right now in our life want a new tune. Come in, man.
Oh, gosh, man.
Yo, somebody say, Byron busy, I look for your mother.
Yo, man, nah, this man mother we don't know. Nah, this matter with you.
No, me not agree with it, you know. But me read one comment on Musi a YouTube.
No, man.
Somebody say like,
I know you me are talking now.
It busy, I look for
I know
mother.
you me are talking now. The person who make the comment. That's why I start read comment. Me not read the comment them, bro. Them people that we mad here. Them people that we mad in the comment section, brother.
Afraid of them, brother. Afraid of them.
I'll go on now. Up on the work, man.
You go on, you get fire. You get fire by your day off, stealing cardboard boxes. You go on.
No mercy. You say you have no mercy, you have no mercy.
But big man think Byron still. We need an answer from you still, Michi. We need an answer from you still. So until Byron answer, just go on. Send kids people them big up on yourself. Trini people them big up on yourself for the love where on our show for the reaction. Reaction boss, big up yourself, bro. If you send me over that side right now, then take my passport over that side. So that side I'm there right now do reaction.
Oh, Mokla, you switch?
No, I'm not switch. No.
Hey, but tell that for react like one song, you know, people.
No.
One song, you know.
Here we go.
3 reactions in one day.
Here we go. Milan. I want tickers at the airport just say out.
Yeah, but
take a passport for 2 weeks or so.
Which is right.
You can drive to a truck while they react to a video them.
Yeah, you know. But yeah, what is the conclusion here, guys? We think the song a forward from Byron or no?
Until Tuesday.
Tuesday too long, brother.
Tomorrow. Tomorrow morning, if we wake up and see a new tune, we're happy. You see me? I say you can't say
come out. First of all, in Japan on Monday. That now come out.
Yeah, we're not saying that.
Conclusion. Byron have 1 point. Coyote have 1 point and Teejay have 2 points. I just say.
Coyote have no point now because nobody never invite Coyote in the war now.
Coyote don't worry nobody. But when Teejay get 2 points.
That's true.
Coyote have no point.
Coyote have worried himself.
That's true.
Bad song.
The song wicked even though I'm not there, but. But say Teejay have a look because Teejay more serious with it. So I say Teejay kind of win it, you know.
Brother, what if Teejay start off like he used to sing Busted back in the days?
Eh?
I don't know what's it.
No.
I don't know what's it about Teejay and I'm a be, brother.
Yeah, I know that song there.
Yeah, but the Busted gang.
You remember it fully?
Yeah.
But.
You know that the one that.
Teejay and Busted.
Boss said, that he used to sing, yo, boss said.
Oh, I thought you saying in a boss said.
A long time I listen to.
He used to sing about first, man.
A long time I listen to him sing them, you know.
Yeah, a long time.
Prior and them sang them.
Hold on, where's Gamer? Reaction boss. You don't know the Teejay song when he dopey them on the ghost story with him?
Which one?
You don't know dopey them?
I know that, man.
Let me realize not tight.
A wicked piece it's a wicked piece of song. Dopey them with on the ghost story with Massacre. And some other artists. Put in dopey them.
A bad artist, you know. You're bad like we. And bad like we and damn, the man got so much classic tune, dog.
Brother, to me, this is the song where make me take TJ serious. That song, yeah.
Pony keep on anybody. You will make camera fly. Them place full of dead body. Some people are cry. DJ. Them good does say prayer. It was like a tire. When the rifle squeeze out, boy you feel bleed out. When the rifle fire. When the rifle fire.
Watch a style.
And no black ups in the circle, them men to the clip, them way you touch, man, I run, girl, a drop. Shut out, hey, your mama wonder what that. Jarrah playing the pussy, them are some parrots, so me give them some carrot. Glock 45 sound healthy, be a gun me buy for a centy. Put more left, boy, more over and shall make them see. Bust it till he empty. Them could just say prayer, it was like a time. When the rifle squeeze out, boy, you feel bleed out. When the rifle fire. Anyway, me bought them butter flick like a click. Somebody a chop a kick. Man rocky my dish up as in my buy a spliff. One for the fire tick. Any pussy full of stun like bionic. Me have a suit and a man for your try on it. Man turn up the war to a higher pitch. Them badness weak just like a bitch.
Show them a boss head in the dot.
And you want to look up Grimy. You know, remember Grimy and thing there?
Grimy.
Grimy and any badness.
And the Ghost Town song. Remember the song was said.
Yeah, man, now you're now hear me?
Yeah, man,
Yeah.
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 That song that to me, bro.
And I saw me too.
Remember Shubot? Shubot,
yeah. All right, so we have to go listen to a couple Byron song then.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, sure. Me have a Byron song more. But TikTok, me know it's still but a long time.
I'm trying to be politically right.
Yeah, no, I'm trying to be biased. You know it, yeah, man, for you, man. I hate it.
Play the Ghost Town song, man.
Oh, yeah, me know that one.
See them boy, they go like them a bad people. See how Miguelis. Yo, Rosa, yo, big up all
Where's Byron song
the Cowboy, we get the whole
Vin.
Chat, recommend me the baddest Byron song we wanna know lyrically.
You don't take down some song them.
We both said hard.
You don't take down some song them.
Smallest circle, bud.
Old
song.
Burn like ash and gun, dead like dog. You know say you want a bad man, you come and road with gun in your arm. Them miss your bumper when the 4-5 clap in your face, close casket, and your feet are roll. Head bust like ball, then me go murder your girl. Blood run like mineral. Life of a killer, me go link sicka make a step with the rascal spinner. Somebody have it dead, the body me buck up in a dead. Blood splash, pump, head and pillar. Yeah. Clap the blood class figure. Road through ends and bun down villa. Rapers, killers, we are killer. Bad, mad, sick, skiller. Bust the beretta shot, tear up sweater. Make gunshot stamp you like letter. Yeah, quiff a man a step a man a real duppy. Make gunshot burn them like pepper. Somebody lie down when me rise my gun. 9 binds in a 38 slide down. When he file down, boy try run, lie down. Die young, then me go over to buy rum. Yeah, and I just know man a bus gun. And I just know man a bus gun. Some boy them a just come. Send them a hell, me no must come. Tell you all of them try bills, the 4-5 flash like light.
And turn off that, man.
This boss in a youth.
Nah, this man that was yeah, play them together to bomb buck long, man. I'm telling them about nice them singing again, dog.
Yo,
I'm here, sure.
What about
About 2014? To the
Which Byron
voting
song gonna
tune.
say? Byron Baghdad? Byron sing Baghdad or Swani?
Baghdad.
A Swani, brother.
Swing Baghdad. Vent or
Him take down him bad man son him. We can't find him.
Event.
Why am taking bad man stuff? Well, move like
Byron about
Him clean up him shit. Him cleaned up. Him clean up him thing. When I lie to you, him cleaned up. Take him down.
him better get.
I feel like say them do that because you when them go international, them want them think a certain way.
Me have reaction to Byron music. We're down the pie channel right now for my other reaction channel. So I'm taking a whole heap of song.
That is gold. That is gold. Right now, honestly, me get where I try to do.
Byron Messia paranoid.
Me get where him a try to, but where he needs to do still is make sure say him find the next big song, brother. Cause that song they got art with top. Don't tap Taliban, but find song we can par with Taliban.
Go up there.
Yeah.
I feel like him have a chase. I'm gonna chase the hit there enough. A minute, you know. I'm gonna chase the
So
yeah.
Byron.
Yeah, man. What do you say? Like,
Tell you say me paranoid. Can't eat, can't sleep, can't feast my jeans. Can't ease my mind in a peace. Why free? I me can't live without the Glock in a me jeans. Paranoid. Lay a knife on the street just to chase my dreams. Shed tears, I bleed, I give I beg Jesus, please, not me Jesus, please. Whoa, the NSC.
Oh, be man a regular dog.
That show that blood clot.
Are you telling
vent
me?
better than that, man. Vent better than that.
Remember, most of them songs they are like, bruh, listen, me I want to remind them, me no pick side, me no buy, me chat, me chat. Me no care what a man said that. So you could have talked about, oh, me no want now song play. Listen, the S and they can come here to clash some gun song we have to play from Teejay a while ago. Where you want to play that for?
I also have to play Paranoid.
I miss if you play here, but that should that bomb buckler, right?
So you could
say your reaction boss on a mad deep player.
Look, I get related to Queenie dog. Yeah.
No. When I tell you like, I just see the vent on ya. This make me know Byron. Alright,
we'll do a reaction. Guys, this is the first collab reaction between me and Reaction
Everybody.
Boss. And Dan Live also. Let's go.
Tell me why me, oh God, tell me why me feel fence God, no.
I love one last now. Put up a tune. My use up a bumper class sound bar, my general. Hey, yo, me tell you this. Use up a sound bar.
They do it, man. They do it.
Heard the tune now.
Z-Tech Records, big up. Let's go. Not like on the stream, guys. I'm not like the stream, I'm not like the stream. DJ Mac, DJ Mac produce this?
Yeah?
DJ Mac, big
long time my work, man. Come
big
react this time, never know.
Another thing, by the way, hold on, they say most of Byron selling a whole different producer. None of them come from the same person.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
But I'm saying we can put.
Network, man, for real.
You can put it on the screen. Yeah, man, you can put it beside there, man. You can screen the character and drop it.
Up top, man. Up top. It's good up top, man.
Oh, it's good, right? So, I run it, you know?
Yeah.
Tell me why me, oh Lord, tell me why me, oh God, tell me why me feel fence God, no. The amount I love ones last, yo. Oh, why me, oh God, oh, why me, oh Lord, just wanna sit down and ball, tell me why me, oh Lord.
Hola, it's also important to note that him sound very different from Taliban right now.
Yeah,
To me. To me,
you have a little difference, man.
To me, him sound different. I don't know if when the song I
drop. It's a year ago.
Yeah, a year ago.
It sound different to me.
You can hear the growth in our voice.
Yeah. Sound different. But Reaction Boss, I lie I tell. Why?
Mess about a long time. Run tune, man.
Yeah, listen to him long time. Remember, I'm not listening to him long time, bro.
The same sound different than Taliban.
Yeah.
Growth wise.
It's so different. It's so different that Mocha.
Mocha, who sing Mocha?
Byron.
I don't know them song there. That not
what?
You don't know Mocha? Worst game of command, man.
I'm telling you.
Buckle it and go on that John shop, dog.
You want to say, me a chop piece of food, buy me niece a shoes. You make the school run from Madison Avenue or something like that.
We're going to sing it in a rewind, look more, I don't know.
No, sir, I'm afraid of you.
I tell the truth, I know it, bro. I know it. But after this, we got to it.
The dialogue.
No, I'm innocent. People are going like the perfect, like them life is all magnificent.
Oh, what? When you talk, wait, pull it up.
No, you not hear me.
No, because if you talk, remember say me I go pause it because I think you want to chip in and say something. Remember reaction. You see me?
Touch with it make me in a heaven, but me wanna make me a live a hell. Me want call you for event, but you know use flow and how did you sell?
Pull up.
Touch with it make me in a heaven. Perfect like them life is all magnificent. Touch with it make me in a heaven, but me wanna make me a live a hell. Me want call you for event, but you know use flow and how did you sell?
That part the bad. The man say yo, I want call you for event, but you know use flow or did you sell? So
can't call you.
Just I go say what me I say, and just hope you hear what me I say. You see me? Bad.
That nobody yet. You have one partner and saw him start to tell the woman this and
that.
Nobody serious.
Me want call you for event, but you know use flow and how did you sell? You say fi give them me just and me heart, but me heart to the break if me give them.
Hold on. Remember say
more this song now. Remember say more this song.
Big show.
You see me?
Just and me heart, but me heart to the break if me give them. From hurt me wanna leave. Me can't trust the people if protect me. If me can't trust nobody, me call family. Me can't go to church, cause me can't trust a peace.
Yeah, can't trust a peace.
You can't trust the people to protect you. You can't trust the Babylon them people. The Babylon them kill you off. Especially in America, them beat you up. You see me, I say, people they say can relate to a song, you fuck with the song for more. That's why I'm singing songs to viewers and subscribers, right? You know? You see me? That's why I said I'll go on. So when I can relate to a song, people, I make a song a hit song for real. You see me?
Facts, man.
I make some deep tune, man.
From hurt me wanna leave. Me can't trust the people if protect me. If me can't trust nobody, me call family. Me can't go to church, cause me can't trust a peace. Me heart want heal. You say when them interfere on the other cheek, and you make that well, so you know me can't weak. Me defense of it different than a ball up on a field. Tell me why.
My defense of it different from a ball up on a field. Bad. Sounds simple, but just speak what I'm saying.
Right now, if Byron the Jack is a singer, no or gashish man.
Why that go on?
If you Jack no, bigger than Taliban.
Millions of views, man. 50 million views.
I agree with you that dog. The singer, they ain't get the views where I get the highlight where you deserve, bro. Enough records in the dance and I get the highlight where you deserve. You see me? This artist drops on tune and I say, damn, if you wait till later in their career, the singer would have bigger.
Bigger than Taliban, I tell you that.
Let's continue. Guys, I'm going to drop a link in the chat or you can join in on the conversation before we end. But we just run through a couple songs and do a couple live reaction phone here.
So you know me can't weak. Me defense of it different than a ball up on a field. Tell me why me, oh Lord. Tell me why me, oh God. Tell me where me feel friends God now. The amount of love ones last year. Oh, why me, oh God. Oh, why me, oh Lord. I just wanna sit down and ball. Tell me why me, oh Lord. Nobody serious. Love for the reason everybody are dead. That's why me no need love.
Love for the reason everybody are dead.
Man, your man saying Cathy probably I do that. That's I thought.
But that shadow for you.
Yeah, but you have to be real with yourself and know.
This video that worst game. I'm saying Cathy probably there now on 3 so.
Yeah. And that you didn't have to jump on a back of
no man, you have to be real in life. You love your woman, and you know, you probably trust her with you. You don't know what she doing in the day.
You know, one man tell me one time. One man said to me one time, say, you know what the two things where you're sure in life as a man. Me say what? The man said, born and death.
You're not already, man. Jack, you're already, man.
Deep.
Control.
Nobody serious. Love for the reason everybody are dead. That's why me no need love. Me catty probably day in a threesome. And a catty there so I get feel up.
Nah, me nah go back. Me nah go back. I mean, I want YouTube black. Not go back. I'm not going there. I'm not going there. I'm not YouTube black. You turn on your head, man. You turn on your head. You turn on your head.
Still insecure about humans. People are nobody shoot us. And look what they do to Jesus. Family hurt me when I leave. Me can't trust the people if they protect me. If me can't trust nobody, me call family. Me can't go out.
To me, like, even if I'm a pretty rank, but that you that we have the beard look like him one of them bad mind friend, you know. I could be me a pretty rank. Real, me show you.
People if they protect me. If me can't trust nobody, me call family.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, man. They play the role for bad mind people, man.
Yeah, you can see it. You can see it.
Watch him. That's my teeth in cookie with that blood clot jar.
Look at myself, G. Yeah, them red one. Yo.
Me can't go to church, cause me can't trust a priest. Me heart want heal. You say when them interfere on the other cheek, and you make that well, so you know me can't weak. Me defense of a defend and a ball up on a field. Tell me why me, oh Lord. Tell me why me, oh God. Tell me where me feel things God know.
One thing I gotta say, yo, the youth full of melody, bro. I'm full of melody. So,
but
yes,
hey,
so
you see when the singer drop?
Yeah.
When the singer they drop in the dog, I'm see. And because I heard that time, him just sworn to just sign him in there. I guess me, I say, dog, me are the happiest man, dog. You come and say me the bomb buck, yo, fan boy, the thing.
Make it money, is it?
I'm the dog, I'm for the dog, get a million people to check your stuff for me. I say, yeah, me general. You see me? Brother.
To me, if him have the melody from them time till now, it go hard for me say, yo, him definitely copy my boy style. Def style. Yeah.
No.
To me, brother, cause brother, it's like why me, yo, lada? It's like a part, brother, catchy.
Even if he did, bro, like big fucking deal, bro. Everybody does that shit, bro.
Mount I love one's last, yo. Oh, why me, oh God, oh, why me, oh Lord, just wanna sit down and ball, tell me why me, oh Lord, tell me why me, oh Lord, tell me why me, oh God. Tell me where me feel friends God know. The mouth I love one's last, yo. Oh, why me, oh God, oh, why me, oh Lord.
And the words why he must say actually relate to the video, bro. Cause if you notice, I just him spliff and a chair. You see me? So all them friends them gone.
Oh, why me, oh God, oh, why me, oh Lord. Just wanna sit down and ball. Tell me why me, oh
Lord. Bad.
I guess what now? This is just like how Byron have that singer. We know, so we not really deal with the clash right now. Just like how Byron have that singer right there. So our mates that we can relate to that singer. I see how many people can relate to Teejay song when you own a lane. You know, so me that big man just Teejay song. Man. Listen, own a lane, I'm a ball more while. But me as a big man. Yeah, when me and I'm going, I got your life things in the dark. You see me, I say?
Brother, you see this? You see people? You see that song, yeah, bro?
I'm gonna ask you, has anyone now react to Byron album?
No, I'm not reacting to him album.
Album, man. Him, me like when the new school artists my drop album and projects. Byron, Valiant, Pablo YG, bro. The young artists, them first
Bad
year.
Man.
Yeah, man, they did a good job, man.
You know the song reaction?
People, I don't know, any true.
That song about your fuck, listen.
Oh, yeah.
What you mean, man?
You know it?
Yeah, man. It's good to me, man. And Teejay on the road.
You can't get a money to do me ear. You can't do me ear for me.
Hold on there. Teejay was the first to do the everybody have brick bass pan the first. Well, we might one eye first. The whole little wave. Everybody have brick bass pan in front of them tune before it start. Yeah, long time. One eye first.
That's not really that. That's the music for that.
No, man, I say, you know, enough you pick up like a style though. You have a dog pan in front, have a little intro.
Yeah, I know the new thing. Every artist now I do have one of them like a movie clip, yeah.
Yeah.
It's on good, but I don't know that.
I know every song, bro.
No, it depends on the story, bro. It depends on the story of the song, bro. This match with what Teejay go say in the song. So to me,
no, we're not talking about that. We're not talking.
We are talking about.
We are talking about for example, look, this is not look back Skillibeng Coke. Remember that?
Yeah.
It was, I think I heard from Shatters.
Okay.
Yes, I mean, I talk about that.
Yeah.
Every artist can know that.
Yeah, the person who known for that right now, where if something drop and it go viral, check Craft.
Yeah, man.
You
want to the chat, man. Darky, no.
Craft have to chat that, man.
Darky,
Go where they in a brick bars. You
know, go on, man.
But I go where me I go.
Oh, your battery long like.
Got a Jamaican BBL, yo. Come on, this one.
Blessings, go on.
Father, protect me from all of them. Why you think me build my own house so me no need nobody hard again? All people when me call me friend them want for some God. Father, please, if me ever fall, me I beg you say help me up and guide me make me walk again.
And it did. Him cut from Romery, and him go quiet for a bit, and then him find the big song, you know. So him up again and I run, you know. Him now walk, him I run, you know.
Yeah, man, he never needed Ramesh. I don't know why he did that in the first place.
Exactly. And Ramesh, big up yourself.
Yeah, man, big up yourself, though, Ramesh. We're not bashing still, you know.
Big man, Ramesh.
Ramesh is not me.
You no need to do them nothing at all. Them just want you say you're right off in your car and then Father, please, I can let me know who are really my friends and my foes. You no need to pretend that's must. Come and see the evil in them and it show. Hey, Father, please, I can guide the steps. When me in the street on the road, hey, Father God, like how me and you a friend, make reason now. There are some things going on. Father, why me feel like nobody no love me? Would I really leave the place and would I run away? Better me go a space just cause some of me just feel like people are fucking.
We see enough of them people sing over the years sing where people are fucking humans. We see humans, we see Hillside by Labas. And to me, to date, that is Labas' biggest song to me.
What? Hillside. Everybody there sing that, you know, man. All the people we have no problem, you know.
Yeah.
Nah.
Yeah.
Hillside. But the one that come up on the beat when Tamale did the panto. What that bitch music beat there?
Tamale, when I say some more people, yeah, man.
Not Tamale one though, the Teejay song. I mean the Carnival song, we did up on the same beat.
What again?
Don't remember at all. I couldn't tell you. Look it up.
With enough people sang out. I want to know if sometime if we as people looking at the mirror and say, yo, dog, you know, say you have the problem. Or you know, so you can't get up and I get hurt by so many people. Look in the mirror and take a look to see if you have the problem. Because some of the time you have the problem and they even know, brother.
It's how when them bless me.
Okay.
Bless me.
And sometimes you know, but you know what accepts you. And then you continue to hurt people, bro. And people just cut from around you. And we see a few artists, you big up the artists. Fucking
Father, why me love that girl and she not love me? Oh God, me woulda really fuck up and run right. Me just feel like say nobody not love me. Me I tell her say, people are fuck me.
Yo, the man loosen the man log them in a brother. Van the car in a dog.
And drop off.
Yo.
No, bad man, you have to be sacrifice. You want to take off look one by one, bro. You have to be bad man, you know.
Brick boss, you get a rass lick.
See the wounds, them and the scars, them and me get, I'm alive. Me heart broken at the past and it no heal it. Man, I fight in the jungle like a lion, you a real threat, me survive. But me really wish life could have reset, that is why me tell me youth, some go to school and try be prefect, live your life. Them never see the struggle, them when me get all the while. Man, I feel proof to them, my father, me asking why people never believe in me yet.
Yo, give me next Byron song, quick and fast. Give me next Byron song.
You never hear the Mocha, you play Mocha. You say you never know, you don't know Mocha.
Yeah, man. And smallest circle around there. Everybody. Well, everybody's supposed to hear that.
Smallest circle. Plus bigger, back to what?
Mocha. Yeah, man. This one is the biggest song it has.
Yeah, banging line.
What I feel about, yeah, good question. Good point for asked. What I feel about it too much of this, well, the influx of all these trap songs now. On the tired of them now, on the one more.
Banging line and them some of the trapping.
Yeah, like the chopping subject.
Them die done for real. But
you feel
when they did go on too much, brother, me never like it. Me not gonna lie to you.
You feel them die done though?
He died done, man. Chopper song now, you know.
Yeah, right. Today. I think it's just a natural transition in music. You see me I say?
What you know, to me, right now, you know, enough like you used to. But where's the tell you the truth, you know.
Yeah.
You can't really please people because when you sing enough conscious song, look for Massacre. When you sing enough conscious song, nobody now meds him. But King come with one bar gun song, them meds King. So see them stop meds King now and still a sing gun song. So you can't really please people, you know. Just have to sing what you can sing. And if you get a bus, you get a bus. That's how me see it.
True.
Yeah, man, it's just a natural transition in music. It's like back in the day.
Yeah, and 1 minute you might not feel the vibes, hear a gun song, but somebody come with a new gun flow and you probably feel the vibes them time there. So me not gonna tell a man say, oh, stop singing scamming song, yeah. Do a work for you at that valiant say and that me work with.
Scamming music, I just see new hustle music. You man you say hustle your money and the weed and them thing there. I knew type of thing for the youth them cause you them a chap like that now.
Yeah, but also you don't feel like say enough of them man yeah, we are do the chopping song, them a fuck up the game for scammer we are actually I do them thing, brother.
Yeah, me alright, that's how I believe said people make them food off of that even though it's not right, you know, support it, but man when I make them food off of scamming feel say them a mess it up cause now everybody are here now one song said I call somebody I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do Ray, it's not good for real. You must have people them business in a way.
You got
mash up the truth.
I got me regardless. You see me?
No, but more no phone call scamming. People don't get fooled like that again with phone calls scamming due to the type of song there.
People who get
Instagram scamming and them thing there, they might still make money off it.
People who get scammed now see them song in general.
No, sir.
American
you have some white people come to Jamaica the other day and them know some of them songs.
No.
Or the craft song when they finally done check with him.
No.
Or old white man, he know that song then comprehend it good and I'm maybe go see that. So you can't say that.
But when I say still in the dark, are they stuff like the police them are tapping and I listen all them youth I do them thing. And then
all that too. More can get ideas and all of them thing there.
The thing I change every day, you see me? When there's a will, there are weird.
That's why I see him
No,
saying
man, that's why the other ways get up with scamming about the phone calling way. You just get busted you know.
True.
Yeah.
And that's why
if a man start calling and tell us you win. If Scotiabank call and tell us you win a money. In the head you go say, me sing me hear something like this about there. So it now go. All when it real say Scotiabank create God. Trust me.
Does Scotiabank really call people and tell them that in real life?
No.
So me see
real life.
The bank not call nobody like that, brother.
In real life.
Alright, let's go another one now. Next time, big up.
Producer.
Chop piece of food, buy me niece of shoes. Regular me buckets, color Madison Avenue. Daily me phone, I forget physical abuse. Yeah.
Daily
hold on there. No, hold on there. Avenue thing, I wish someone want Avenue in our this song them I always listen to a while ago.
Avenue?
Yeah, you never hear
Coyote
say something about Avenue. Come here, I say what go on.
Remember say a coyote alone just spit the facts, you know. So anything we hear, I must
clear that. You see me I try and show the what go on now.
Let's go.
Yeah, fuck it.
Me buckets color Madison Avenue. Daily me phone, I forget physical abuse. Yard man I teach me how to scam, make it run move.
Yard man, when I say?
Teach me how to scam, but
yard man I teach me how to chat, but you can't make it run the news run or something like that.
Daily me phone I forget physical abuse. Yeah, man I teach me how to can't make it wrong move.
Ah, that part the bad. Yeah, man, I teach me how to can't make the wrong move. So basically, man, the same can't help on himself. So, alright.
Like
daily me phone I forget physical abuse. Yeah, man I teach me how to can't make it wrong move. And I see a Red Bull, be a girl in the guest room. No me woulda reach a long time, me shoulda left school. Been a really people.
No, me woulda reach a long time, shoulda left school. So the man I telling us say, kids, stay in school.
Money there.
Yo, the man I telling us say, listen, I don't need no school, brother. I don't need no school, cause here what, me can go out there go do it, and still richer than some of them teacher, yeah. And some of them police are saying me to kids stay in school, get an education.
School, no, we not tell you that, and we said that.
Yeah, school.
Yo, they go to school, yeah. School are the right way to make money, yeah.
Yeah, man.
Sure. No, school is not the right way. School doesn't teach you how to become a business person, bro.
That's true.
The point of school still, you know, is.
I'm 21 and my business teacher never to a business, so. I don't know if it's
school. Yes, when school do now, kids stay in school. School teach school program in mind for work for people for the rest of your life, bro.
School not gonna teach you everything. That teach you how to find the information or find the skills and what you need. That's the main thing you have to take from school.
Yeah. Kids stay in school and don't beat up nobody because they pay your clocks. Alright, let's go.
Bull be a girl in the guest room. No me woulda reach a long time, me shoulda left school. Been a run the paper long before me use the restroom.
Been a run the paper long before me use the restroom. Ah, nice.
Woulda reach a long time, me shoulda left school. Been a run the paper long before me use the restroom. I plan my next move. Me have a line, a million of them me happy fine. Nobody waste your time, me dash where the iPhone tonight.
The man say,
yo, worst game, you realize say under Sykes, Byron lyrical can with this event. You hear him use some little slang, but they mean some big something, you know.
Yeah. Him bad, man, him bad. I'm gonna do some one-away reaction to some more Byron's. I'm just go up on him channel and just react enough for them, dog. That's right. Byron,
man.
Yeah?
And drop them group reaction here too. You know what I say?
Put to be live.
Me not screen record. I don't know of a screen record for something. I want a new thing I use. I use
record right now. Just start records to me.
Cut to be live.
Nobody waste your time. Me dash where the iPhone tonight. You dog. Me not feel up in the aisle. Naturally a giant I go rise.
Man say yo, the whole be a thing. Me not have to do it. You see me? Natural talent I can tongue. Hey, Miss Jen, I'm still a thief. That's what the boss will tell them.
Oh, worst gamer, you can also download it live when you're done, you know, and then cut it up.
Oh, yeah. True. Let's go.
Naturally a giant I go rise.
Eh?
Someone the girl in the balance. One nice one. Huh?
Video girl, man.
We never stopping, forever chopping. Money stack, figure remember the shopping. We up, make a call a foreign. Same when I'm run off, collect the package. Man put the food and the rifle do damage. I saw it knocking. Me can't speak too much about it, remember Mocha watching.
Can't speak too much about it, remember Mocha watching. Constantly watching you, bro. Be careful.
You know?
I think, girl, take it, come with the porridge. Cement soup.
What them?
Yeah.
I saw it knocking. Me can't speak too much about it, remember Mocha watching. Top coat, big niche, stock food, big leg.
Him do a rock a while ago. Him look like a while ago when him rock a while ago.
You will see, running back.
Watch a rocker.
Me can't speak.
That's what I say. I'm afraid of myself sometimes, you know, some little simple thing we pick up on in the bread. I see it.
Much about him and Mocha watching. Top coat, big niche.
You see that while ago?
Who be do that?
The Big Stan, brother.
Yes. Oh, Big Stan. Yeah, you see that?
Yeah, I'm telling you, I'm afraid of myself, bro.
Yeah, we know me see it to Mustica. It does just like him. Hey, but if that, listen.
Yeah, I'm afraid of myself, bro. I'm serious. Something going to pick up.
The worst game, you get yourself in trouble, you know.
Why? Me see too much, brother. A Big Stan rap that, bro. Look, watch it.
I want to see them rap.
I see.
I listen to that song all along. I never see that them. I never watch a video much time. I never see that tonight yet.
Somebody on your live, screw the card and send me that blood clot. No, it's a real, it's a clip.
Exactly, big up yourself. Let's go.
Top cool, big leash, stock food, big league. Look how we outside, I travel with the 16. Me a bang it line, a million of them me a be fine. Walker, nobody waste your time. Me dash with the iPhone tonight. You dog, me not feel rub up in the aisle. Naturally a giant have a rise. Walker,
eh?
The part the man say, yo, now if you rub up in the aisle. Naturally a giant have a rise.
Yeah.
Be a guzzle thing I go on. You see me, man?
Yeah.
Say, king the dog.
Yeah, man, pick it up earlier, man.
So remember the true word for
no
craft them on Raja Wild.
No. We can't bring that there. I don't think of that. He might tell us say, yo, him naturally gifted with anything when I do, him naturally gifted.
Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, that makes sense.
You see me? So we can't stir up something that is not to be stirred. To mix up, left it. Let's go.
naturally a giant have a rise. Walker, I'm a walker. Chop piece of food, buy me niece of shoes. Regular me buckers, color Madison Avenue. Daily me phone, I forget physical abuse. Yeah, man, I teach me how fish can't make it wrong move. And I see a Red Bull, be a girl in a dig room. No, me woulda reach a long time, me shoulda left school. Been a roll the paper long before me use the restroom. I plan my next move. You dog, me a bang it line. A million of them me have it fine. Walker, nobody.
Yo, I wanna not talk about the girls them dog.
You know, you just not tell us that the girl a create problem, dog.
You know, you say girl look like she drink cement soup, brother.
Cement soup.
You not hear that. You can't not hear, bro. No, but you wanna. Me now we really want to stop on them because the last time we did that, YouTube said not there. You see me? So I have to be careful.
Me slow motion and look on every big batty girl in every video.
Yeah, you can't do that.
A million of them me have it fine. Nobody waste your time. Me dash with the iPhone tonight. You dog, me not feel rub up in the aisle. Naturally a giant have a rise. Walker, I'm a smoker.
Walker, nothing for you. Oh, my God, my Walker friend.
Plug in, man. You have your inside links. You have a plug in of your inside links, man.
Yeah.
Come here, man.
Watch out. Hold on. I wish I get the parcel. Package. You're smiling for that. If you say that the master, you know. Yo, this bad still. This bad.
I might want to check Smalley Circle if you know you're the one there either.
Which one?
Smalley Circle.
You must hear that, man.
But I'm telling you, two time listen to Byron, Taliban went to by himself and Taliban went to with Burner. Serious? I never know about Byron before Taliban. I never know about him before Taliban. Seriously, I never know about him before Taliban. I swear. Even though people was telling me to react to Byron Messia still, people were telling me that. But you know me sometimes it does. Yeah, that does me that. Big up Byron. Right, so this reactor?
Yeah, man.
Guys, chop a like on the stream. I know that go.
Yeah, man, people like up the video. Share.
Z-Tech record, pick up.
Yo, perfect your style.
Yeah, gun, man. Yeah, rifle.
Eh?
Be a rifle, you know. Yeah, rifle, that is.
Yo.
Put them out.
Me like the Trini gold still. It just look different, bro.
I forgot Trini go make a jewelry, dog. I forgot make a chain, bro.
Byron just link up with Drake, you know.
Eh?
Byron just link up with Drake.
Yeah, man. Byron I make moves, man. Ever since I've been reacting to them, I say, yo, I forgot Trini go get a Trinidad gold. I'm go make a chain or something, man. Man, then
yeah, man.
Different.
Oh, them different, man.
Yo, but them thing look heavy, you know. Me like them, know. Them look like them on pop off, man.
Them heavy.
Your face, sir? Nah, sir.
Yeah, man, can get them
solid. You look on Prince one of them chain.
Yeah.
Big, you know.
Yeah, man.
Early tune.
So, hold on. Byron used to Ras?
No.
Yeah.
No.
What? And then dreads in there.
Style.
That a style?
Yeah, that's the wick. A Ras then considered wick. That's the wick style. I guess they considered.
Yeah?
Those are wicks.
Oh.
Call them the wick. Mostly in Florida than do it, but they consider them dreads too.
Oh,
reside in Florida. He resides in Florida. You know, stage.
Yeah, man.
Yo,
that's all I see. Them dreads there.
Jambisco, drop your channel name in the chat, bro. Let me give you a follow, bro.
Yeah, man. Respect.
Perf. Brooklyn. CTG.
Man, go like kiss.
Smallest circle. Links bigger than the back of a turtle. Violate killers.
Links bigger than the back of a turtle. That him say?
Yeah, what easy. Yeah, violate the killer, you know, say. And the true man, true bad man.
Smallest circle.
You drop a link already?
Bigger than the back of a turtle. Violate killers separate with dirt. Fuck bitches make more money, that's for certain.
Yeah, I feel like me I waste some reaction of that. I need to drop them reaction every day.
Brooklyn. CTG.
Smallest circle. Links bigger than the back of a turtle. Violate killers separate with dirt. Fuck bitches make more money, that's for certain. Oh baba, rise up in chopper. The whole team I take off like NASA. Mount a girl fi day in a me like a saw. And we counting up with dollar every hour. Yo, Kel, tell them I one code. Them a check on phone, big pussy pan.
Your brother named Kels. Him? I am the manager for Byron Messia and Prince Swani.
Okay.
Yeah, last skin brother with that name Kels. My manager.
Yeah, my manager. I say my manager might make some good moves with Byron.
All I moves them, man. You see in there everywhere the man there. Him did a little baby and them last night. Yeah. I make what I moves. I'm man.
Yo, Kel, tell them I one code. Them a chatty pan phone, big pussy pan board. Fuck the game up, me never need a control. And the link pa me neck, that a chinny that goal. I feel make the money.
And I tell you where the goal come from, you know, link pa me neck, that chinny that goal. Big up chinny goal, man.
And the link pa me neck, that a chinny that goal. I feel make the money, that a me philosophy. Since school days when them ask what you wanna be, and me a fuck some real pretty girl like Cardi B. Mount a girl up on me eyes, you wouldn't think of follow me. I talk up a killer sicker than the pharmacy. Charity, I say she want to receive energy.
No, bro, drop the link.
Oh, the link.
Yeah, drop the link if you can.
Say talk, make you drop your panty. Only want more money, me no want no more friends. Pop Smoke, keep it Draco, loaded, link up it.
Pop Smoke, keep it Draco, loaded. Which Pop Smoke him attack? One from Trini?
No, the one that dead.
Oh, New York.
One that dead?
Mm-hmm.
Byron, you can't reference a dead man still. Dead. Draco never loaded at the time.
My boy, for the truth. No way.
Let me tell you, I'm not going to lie.
Nah, say talk, make you drop your panty. Only want more money, me no want no more friends. Pop Smoke, keep it Draco, loaded, link up it in the bad bitches and host them. Straight back to the hotel, yo yourself. Smallest circle, links bigger than the back of a turtle. Violate killers separate with dirt. Fuck bitches make more money, that's for certain. Oh papa, rise up bitch apa. The whole team I take off like NASA. Mount a girl fi day in a me like a saw. And we counting up with dollar every hour.
Reaction boss. When say this, when say Mount a girl fi day in a what?
In Trini La Casa, that me here.
La Casa, the house. Mount a girl fi in a me La Casa.
Yeah, so is that Spanish for house or something?
Yeah, the house.
Okay.
Mount a girl fi day in a me like a saw. And we counting up with dollar every hour. Two play, like 2K, like movie. That's how we shoot there. We a high grade, we a pop dose. Like big titty girl pan a Tuesday.
Big breasted girls, love you. Yes, girl.
Two play, like 2K, like movie. That's how we shoot there. We a high grade, we a pop dose. Like big titty girl pan a Tuesday. Yo, Kel, show baby up on the asphalt. Only take one call for your man fall. And if you wonder where the gang gone, same place where your girl gone.
Rude. This is Brother, I'm gonna see the link, So here, what you have to go send it on IG, bro.
I say right now, I don't know why the thing now.
You know, allow somebody to post a link in your
Add that.
His name is Jambisco. I saw Jambisco.
Yeah,
man.
Live.
All right.
Just like the.
Yeah, man. I find it now.
With the gang gone, same place where your girl gone. Smallest circle, links bigger than the back of a turtle. Violate killers operate with dirt. Your fuck bitches make more money, that's for certain. Oh papa, I love it papa. The whole team I take off like NASA. Mount a girl for day in a me like a saw. And we counting up with dollar every hour. Yo, tell them I one code, them a chat tip on the phone, big pussy.
Guys, see, Jambisco reaction channel there. I'm gonna give him a follow now. Let's get him up. Give him a follow. Some support. Big up tuning people, them.
All right, now we have 84 people in that chat. People like up the live, man. We have 57
man.
Like up the live.
Hear it up.
Me never need a control and the link pa me neck that a Trinidad goal. I feel make the money that a me philosophy. Since school days when them ask what you wanna be, I me a fuck some real pretty girl like Cardi B. Mount a girl up on me eyes, you wouldn't think of follow me. Yo Bernie, yo Bernie.
Oh.
Bad.
Before I cut, I want 1, 2, 3 we for do one reaction before I cut.
When no?
Yeah, before I cut.
All right. Yeah. It's
one song I want to react to. K-Man 6.
Mm-hmm.
You know which one? Maybe you have to call it name. The evil song just come out.
When him again? No lethal, no?
No lethal.
Mm-hmm.
You can bust a screen card Jambisco. You're trying to when I go on Jambisco. Bust a screen card. Do your intro everything.
Yeah, man. Drop your intro.
I will do it right now.
Voila, make him find it for you.
Will you drop a reaction tweet already still now?
Nothing wrong with that, man. A group reaction. This my general. What you talk about, man?
Yeah, man. Respect, man.
I'm drop Tyreek channel too. I'm give my father too.
No, follow me, please. Reaction to us. Boy, I'll put up on my channel, man. That's trouble, no, man. Gosh.
So ready up.
I'm on the intro, man. What up, thing?
Yeah, no, my intro.
No, their intro don't get serious fighting. The man already fuck it.
Yeah, man. What's good? You two. Dang, you don't know your boy Jambisco there with another mad reaction. You see me? And today you say we got a special treat, gang. You see me? Dan Mafia. Don't see on the channel we got today. We got Jamaica's worst gamer reacts. And the reaction boss himself, you don't know where talking. TyrekeReacts. You see me? Yeah, big up my dog.
Yeah,
right now. You see me? Yeah, man. And today we are reacting.
I get a page now with my general. I'm pay a channel now with my general.
It's alright, man.
I watch a video from my day. I see have a comment section that scroll up on the side and you think that, where you get that thing there from my general? Where you go out with my general?
You don't know. Yo, they do this from the start. I'm see other great reactions I do it too. You see me?
Yeah. Improvise.
Great. You see me?
I improvise. Yeah, makes sense.
What we do today, dog?
Yeah, man. TyrekeReact to K-Man 6. You see me? The one named No Lethal.
No Lethal.
Reaction boss, and we got the Jamaica's worst gamer react. You see me? What the top dog them that they think. You see me? I'm gonna check it out and see what I'm going.
Alright, let's jump in the one, guys. Me
for the culture.
Me hear the one already, and at night now, and
blood clot.
To all my office setup, me have to walk go to my house. So me have to walk across the yard to go to my house. So I hope some have a flashlight on my phone or something I can reach it. You see it? But let's jump in the one and here came and I say it for the second time. Let's go, G. Let me just say how great of an actor this guy is.
Hey man,
he's a great actor, bro.
Yeah, first time I see him, I say it's a horror movie, dog. I film. I don't music video this.
I wish I wish scary movie watch, dog. And I see when the fucking them get up out of the bed, me I tell you, dog, and get up on earth and do them thing, the dog.
Zombie.
Come on, what are you?
Yeah.
I think what do you call Last of no, that ain't Last of Us.
Run tune.
Yo, some zombie thing, brother. Just the man head up on the guitar. Look, because the man head up on the guitar. Look on the man's face, bro.
Many of says that hey, that's too much things in already.
Someone tell us that some stay, bro. The man head up
Watch
on the
it there,
guitar.
I never see that dog. Yeah, good.
Him on like him
While
in
me
a
not telling
casket.
about
Like,
worst game I know, listen, you know, man, dangerous.
Oh, so you man say him sleep on music and wake
brother.
up on music.
Yeah, the man and look like him in a casket, brother. Like him and turned down, bro. Look on the man, brother. Like it's like him do him research pan people, bro. Like pan horror show before him do that video, bro. Big up the editor and the director. Big up the team behind this, bro. This bad. It's bad.
Six rise, hey, fat up Zaki, I only hope he could run. Nobody not gonna live when we drop from a gun. Slowly, them a go perish.
Yo, Jambisco, how would that call fat up Zaki? More on who him, sir.
No problem, dog attack.
I fat up Zaki, him say.
What you say?
Jack, what you say?
Fat up Zaki, something like that. Him say something, but
No
at the time, we
problem,
never know him attack. We never react to Plumpy yet. Plumpy bad still in there, bro. Plumpy bad enough. Yeah, man, Plumpy bad artist, man. No job.
Run it back still, my general. Man, too far back.
6 rise, hey, fat up Zaki, I only hope he could run. Nobody not gonna live when my jaw for me gun. Slowly, them I go perish in a grave belong. You gotta know when me catch a 7. Your friend body still here, must be done skeleton.
Look on this skull, them dog.
Yeah, bro, man, I raise dopey dog. Yo, that's everybody at the pun, man.
Hold on. All right, I feel actually, because I never talk about what people, I never get them opportunity to wait time, so I feel ask question, you know. Want to think about the different numbers, them and all them things I want to go on over there, dog. I know you're fairly new to Jamaica Rest gamer. But if you talk about you, Mr. Jambisco, what do you think about all them number warrior?
6, 7, 8, and 9.
Yeah.
If you ask me, I wonder how much of them, dog. You see me, but hey, all them and them start as one is crazy, yo. I know them split up in a different faction. So you know, say yo, enough things go on behind doors, you know what I'm saying?
Alright,
and then from blood spilling, from blood spilling, you know, say a different ball game.
I have a next question, but I ask it further and knife it, aren't it?
Only hope he could run. Nobody not gonna live when my jaw for me gun. Slowly, them I go perish in a grave belong. You gotta know when me catch a 7. Your friend body still here, must be done skeleton. See how we kill them, swear, say I love it from. Boys, see we unshake.
Yo, as some food thing, the man, the brother, look, the brother.
Yeah,
when them sign, the brother.
The man say, yo. The man say, yo, when me catch him, I hope say, the man say,
hope he can run.
You see me, man say, we will deal them, swear, say, hell will come from that.
Yeah, cause him mentioned the hope can run part because him don't have him as a fat fuck already.
Yeah.
So him say, no, this not me. That's what him say.
No, man.
Because him say it in the beginning already.
Yeah,
you see me? So him don't have him as a fat fuck. So him say, yo, make sure you faster than gunshot. That's what the boss I tell you, bro. I don't feel the thing.
I already know I bullet them.
Yeah. Jeez.
Must be done skeleton. See how we kill them, swear, say I love it from. Boys, see we unshake, cause I know we fit on. A J-man said the word and we load every gun. But how the fuck them later?
The man said J-man said the word and we load every gun.
That's a theme boss.
That's a theme boss. Okay, and the next side boss, a Prezi.
Cause I know we fit on. A J-man said the word and we load every gun. But how the fuck them later? 6 down, rise every fucking day.
Bro, I like that part. Part of the people them come in like a choir.
Yeah.
Part of just make it. You see me?
But me have a question, people. So, we don't know Rebel 6.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Everybody say I'm supposed to be Prince One right now.
Me hear about him one time in past still.
In past. All right, so we must throw the year about him past or anything. We must say we don't know why I'm dead. No, the year we go on why I'm dead and the year
man, no. Show up to a peace treaty and thing.
Never go.
Why I'm dead.
He never go on them then go.
So me have a big question for you asking a dog. Me don't want to say too much, but that big question for you ask dog. You already said the man don't big up everybody know them song. The man not really big up Rebel 6 no more. Why? Them not call him near no more than no more song.
I don't know. Why is that?
I don't know because that funny.
When I first know them will come out when the dad dead, you know, they must say they dad dead because he must left the 6 side and go back to the next side. They must talk about in-camp killings that go on.
But Prince One in the 7 first and then got 6.
Got 6.
Yeah, because Rebel 6 the day not 6 before Prince One, you know.
7 never come out until Swan done part with Mez Bass and Plumpy Bass. 7 never really talk about. Them 7 is a new
well, yes,
7 and 8 is a new, but it was only 6 and 9, and really and truly it was really 6 and 9.
Mm-hmm.
It was Muslim.
It was the G City and the Rasta City.
It wasn't
Muslim
really,
and Rasta City.
it was Muslim and Rasta. And
yeah,
6
at
and
1.
9. And then now the 8 coming with Kalanji and you know Ariante.
Yeah, because Rasta them farm because the Muslim then he take over resources and they want to share. So Rasta say them want balance out thing. And from this they break down. It's crazy.
But what you know, on a realize the Trinidad music scene, like them youth here, were more serious than anything we're going to Jamaica. As in artists.
Yeah.
Artists of Jamaica normally take it lyrical. Once in a blue moon, year 2 artists jump off but them youth actually shoot off for each other, bro.
Yeah, remember him? K-Man. You know, I say only 4 video map for them channel. They might just did that up, you know. They might just come out of prison. But what me I say, what I'm going to say is, right, the only thing we go on with the music stick it to the streets of Jamaica, a cartel and Movado.
No, that wasn't cartel. No, that wasn't cartel. That was the fans though. That was cartel and Movado fans.
I'm try to show you.
But them youth here,
Jamaica shut down that have the money on stage and Ray and Tay.
Yeah, but them youth here are actually a dead, brother. Like artists are dead at Trinidad. Wicked, bro.
Because in my opinion, is because the music dancehall industry kinda is younger than Jamaica, so this is more close to life for them, you know. You see me? While them move out and cartel and they kinda have a bus already where they kinda like, you know, they're normal people, but them.
But even so, Cartel and Vada wasn't shooting off at each other like how them money are shooting off at each other, brother.
Them man are friend. You see me?
You know what them youth remind me of? Like the Chicago music scene, bro.
Yeah, TyrekeReacts.
That it remind me of, bro. Let's go.
Gun, but all the fuck them later. 6 down rise every fucking day, man. Tint up car and less than 3, man. Go for them now, never like fairies. And now with this a pay boy, cause they commit chase. And head top spitting a 2 fish. Go for them Scooby the do.
Like the fact that head top spitting a 2 fish. Go for them Scooby the do.
Yeah, where's bad man?
Yo, Scrappy say that and run. Yeah.
You know, say in my opinion, I feel like say yo, K-Man Byron kind of taking inspiration for Collision. When my first hear me, I say, yo, yeah, it sound K-Man-ish. You see me? Him reply, so like him get the inspiration. And I say, I him give him a right for him. But I feel like say the inspiration for go smooth and deadly was based on K-Man 6. You see me?
Yeah.
As all I'm distract them, I saw it sound like I sing him and sing, you know, K-Man. I say I'm reading so much, you know.
The Trinidad man, them, the way them band them, the man them sing gun song. The man
them sing there. Yeah.
Sing it.
Really true. Less than 3, man. Go for them now, never like fairies. And now with this a pay boy, cause they commit chase. And head top spitting a 2 fish. Go for them Scooby the do. Jacob, nobody bad like you. Wake up, fat pussy, wake up. Hey, but
wake up, fat pussy, wake up.
Tell your dog.
So if I shoot the man, what you asking for wake up? Where you want to wake up? Him soul? Where are the K-Man?
To make a point where you say,
wake up his soul.
Yes. What point you say a while ago, you say, yo, Trinidad man, they sing gun song.
Yeah.
That's one of the reasons why people that say, yo, Teejay be a bag of nice with him first tune. Because them used to suck gun song are singing. You see me? So that's why I'm like, oh, I'll be a nice DJ I make because we used to singing and DJ, you know. You see me? Them mostly for them singing and mostly sing.
I don't think there's a DJ in Trinidad. And I like I don't think there's a DJ in Trinidad.
Boy, the young one.
Yeah,
boy. Me say boy. You know, say my young one.
That's why I'm not so hot.
Yeah, cause they not used to him style it. You know what I'm saying?
Earn it though.
Continue.
Commit chase and head top split in a two fish. Go for them Scooby the do. Check up, out it and nobody bad like you. Wake up, fat pussy, wake up. Hey, you better wake up. M1's a fill if every broom clean up. Them a fucking 9 balloon, a 7-point stick boy to the ground on the glue. And everybody get it on the flu. Cause every 6 minutes.
Once everybody get it on the flu.
Yeah, man say wake up, fat pussy, wake up.
Yo, right now I go show no which part of the unity they are Trinidad right now. Where am I gonna say, yo, every 6 man, every 8 man, every says a little bit of unity is still there. You didn't mean I say. So basically only one side, the match I show say no unite right now. When they realize how going there singing.
I think
they might say yo they do treason.
I think by the sound of things, even if unity go on, there's still no unity because every man still got pre every man cause too much blood spill, bro.
Wipe a blood spill, yes. Wipe a blood spill. But
and that means I say man,
the dog was 38. I'm gonna from the know this. There's a video on YouTube about it. Kolanji. I don't know about Kolanji. When I think Jamaica wrestling, I know about Kolanji. But
no, but I get enough message.
That man in MKR in just park and by that for park, pull up, you know on camera, catch my camera. By that park. Oh gosh, this man.
Yeah, what he told?
Yeah, him girlfriend dead. But he walk out of the car. But he get shot.
Yeah.
But must get him get that car. Told the man turn up over the bumbo clock. The clip of the car.
Yeah, man. Wait up, man.
Let's go.
I find that him in hide, but run through.
Point stick boy to the ground on the glue. And everybody get it on the flu. Cause every 6 man it's sick. Oh, the big shot for you. Shit, mo. About 7 lucky place with them talking about. We are the evilest on them.
So, so hold on. So 6 are worried 7, right?
Yeah.
And then so who 8 and 9 are worried?
7. Nobody know. Listen. 6,
8 and 9.
8, 9, unity. At them man that they are at them man. Well, now I go say that.
Which artist in a 7 though?
Yes, boss,
Plumpy Boss.
Carter. And then
Skelly.
you see all of that. I want to say all of them, but not all of them. Most of them on the 7 side. We're in Swanee. You see, I see Byron and Swanee right now. I like this.
Yeah.
Mess Boss and Prince Swanee was like that.
Plumpy Boss, right? Yeah, man, they new part together.
Yeah, him did that crew, but Mess Boss and Swanee was this.
So the whole thing split up after Rebel 6 dead then.
Yeah. Rebel 6 Swanee did really push music
from childhood.
Then two of them and there was like this. Everybody that says still, if Rebel 6 was still alive, I would have there with Swanee there. That's what they must say. Most of the fans them say anyway.
But people always start good boy when
always the same thing there, you know?
When they're dead, yeah. People always do that shit, bro.
Rebel 6 the bad though, man. You see me? There's no telling who did I go with. You know what I'm saying?
Let's go.
About 7 lucky place with them talking about. We are the evilest on them. No, every night man net sick. Oh, every hate man net sick. Oh, watch every Z man net sick. Oh, then if it's true, we say you get to make a block her out. The OT man, them pussy won't know where they man. And every clip we have load for a reason. You get the ends burned down on the diesel. Watch every man get dirt when they leave none. And never gonna sing about it, never they go that. We should know the boy, them is a big horror.
Yo, the boss, I was some note in a brother.
I
some blood clot note.
Like Whitney Houston that.
Yo. Yeah.
The ends burn down on the diesel. But every man get dirt when they leave none.
Every man get dirt, you not leave none. Not even the dog in a yard. Get, yo, dog, move on. While I gunshot. Everything.
Long man.
Yo.
Get the ends burned down on the diesel. But every man get dirt when they leave none. And never gonna sing about it, never they go that. We should know the boy, them is a big horror. You got the guard up, I got the J.O. It's a big tar rifle.
Bible verse on that part, bro.
Yo, dog.
Yeah, boy.
The guard up, I got the J.O. It's a big tar rifle, I behold. But don't fuck them later. 6 dan rise every fucking day, man. Tint up car and less than J, man. Me go for them now, never like for reason.
Yo, the man said tint up car, never less than she, man, brother.
Tree, are we there now? What mashy crime?
Not me.
Yeah, we are matching.
Yeah, drive me. All right, you driving.
I will call police and say, police, what the crime I go down, here. Back
up.
Police, I don't want to go. I was posted. Let's go.
Lord. Tint up car and I stand J man. We go for them now, never like for reason. Now we disappear boy, cause they commit treason.
Yeah, more ask a question though. Chini people, are these gun props?
No.
Props the bomb.
What the fuck you talking about? I think we can show you only one during that video where they gun them a props in there. Only one.
Yo.
All Plumpy boss no lethal. I think them there on the boat. I think them are props.
Yeah, the man just shipping something on the boat. Chris like biscuit.
What?
Yo.
Miss Boss invade. Oh, that plastic. Oh, I'm not that type of props.
Man, them have it, man. I must say, man,
Yeah. Let's go.
Never like for reason, now we disappear boy, cause they commit treason. How the fuck them lethal, how the fuck them lethal. 6 ton rise every fuck.
Yo, how the fuck them lethal? What like, where you do for lethal, brother? Unless you're a snake, brother, you're not lethal. You're idiot. That is what he's saying, not me. So nobody say me.
See the chopper there a while ago, the angle look like say yo, he been and used. Been them go for works couple times. Keep up.
Commit treason, how the fuck them lethal, how the fuck them lethal. 6 ton rise every fucking day, man. Tint up car and less than 3 man. We go for the Trick badness, we go for them now. Face we don't miss.
This blood clot you to possess.
Yeah, man.
Possess.
Nah, man, listen. Me used to look at that, I used to them fuck with them. I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. It dog singing song and feeling song them. You see me? I say that. It's like feeling behind it.
There's feeling songs and there's been possessed. This nigga possessed, bro. Big up yourself, man. You're possessed as fuck now. Look ya. Watch it. Blood you telling me saying no possessed. Look at myself, K. Look at devil riding out his blood. Watch out. Yeah.
Yes, we go for them now. Face we don't miss the pussy but how from me dance and rise hell with that you mental and I swear we can't wait.
Imagine, hold on. Imagine you walk down one dark street and you see this man here I do that.
Hell no, nigga.
I not do nothing. Remember you know, you have to pass him to reach your yard, you know.
I can't him.
Where you was calling him?
Where you
was calling him?
What do you mean?
But I turn my can go anywhere. Better, I'm finding the nearest police station. Officer, I don't want to pass this guy. Yo, you see this brother face, bro? No.
We go for them now. Face we don't miss the pussy but how from me dance and rise hell with that you mental and I swear we can't wait for lift up all gun me got a Glock with a chip. Yeah, chocolate on my hip and me miss up in the stick. You're killing away a bit and if me done I said the way then you know we at it. We fully psychopathic, none of we rifle the stick. See them never wow with us. Shot left hole in this our figures. Yeah, now this was if you win we must because anyway you spend me luck cause every 6 man that's sick. Oh, the big shot for you, shit, man. About 7 lucky place where them talking about. We are the evilest on them, no. Every 9 man that's sick. Oh, every 8 man that's sick. Oh, every Z man that's sick. Oh, then if you should be sick, you get them in the block.
Yo, the man there, the real reaction boss.
Laugh a while ago. See the laugh a while ago, bro. That's crazy.
Him give me a Tommy Lee vibe. I'll take on the song before Rocket step in because we do a little video. To me, like what I said in my song, this was the first song I reacted from Chini. Big up once again, reaction boss. We point me in another direction. This led me to a whole kind of fucking worms, bro. Like there's so much different songs that people tell me to react to now.
You lead the man to posting like 4 videos in a 1 day, people.
Yeah, dog. No joke. So, okay, man, big up yourself, bro. Bad artist.
Yeah, man.
No, me I get up. I look more understanding because I thought it was 8 verses 9 and then 6 verses 6. But me never know. Say everybody have a problem with 7. 7. Hello, said that. But yo, this bad still. It bad. you guys take it away and do the thing.
Where you toss, Jambisco?
Yeah, man. K-Man. Definitely, yo. Dog a bad artist. You see me? Been a long time. One of my favorite artists out of Trini 6.
Think him a number one right now?
No. Huh?
Think him a number one right now, Trini?
A Trini? Number one?
Yeah.
Shit, that's tough to say, number one.
Who else a job song like him over there right now?
Well, you know, con Prince Wani and the other man. As far as between 6 and 7, K-Man. Plumpy Boss yeah, man. I tell you, my favorite out of 6, other than Prince Wani, Squash, and you know what I'm saying, the Jamaican side. Yeah, K-Man, one of my favorite out of Trini. I ain't gonna lie to you. The man drop tune up, the man tune them. Every song, man, so like calm, deadly. And like me, I say, man, sing all in this tune them like say, yo, R&B. You see me? I say, so yeah, man, I like in style, dog. You see me? Definitely I do it. And the consistency depend on a different level compared to the rest of the artists them. So yeah.
Yeah, him just start, him drop an EP already. But you know, yeah, him just start, him drop an EP.
Yeah, that's a good look, man. Yeah, man. Dog serious about the music. And in video them, bad too.
Shut the outro before you forget.
Oh, you done reaction on the boss and I'm gonna say.
I'm gonna go, man. Thanks for your channel. See me, I say, hopefully, big batty can have your channel come on my channel, come watch me. Yeah, then me, I say, the reaction boss. Don't know it's
gang. You don't know, gang. Yeah, you don't know. There JW. I'm say JWGR. You see me, a reaction boss. You see me, I say so. And that was no lethal. You see me, I said. And guys, make sure you go check out their channel. You see me, these are the guys that lead the culture right now. When it comes to the reaction and the music, we are create a new culture and a new wave, you know. You know what I'm saying?
Young guns.
So big up
Young guns.
Follow them. Content over them. Man. Content overload. Yeah, so reaction boss have 2 channels, you know. And Jay have 2 channels, so now have content for days. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So check them out, guys. And you don't know. The next time, I was here and I hit and smash now. Banger. The next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Peace.
Well, yeah, some now in my video them, isn't it?
Yeah. But even though we there and I do it as the smaller channel them, remember say have some giant channel them out there now. Big up man like Terror Dan with G. Enough time may reason on the phone with G. Big up man like Alan Brandon and them man there. And all of the bigger one them I do it before you. Big up on yourself. Maximum respect, you see me?
Man, the crap of them, every one of them, man.
Yeah, man, maximum respect.
Everywhere, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But now like big up them man for real because when me just start out of them man, them have to compete with dog and me I say, Jesus Christ.
Cheers. Man, they put in the hard work, man. Put in the hard work, you see me? Rocket, what go on? You not stream tonight?
Yeah, man, I stream, man. Now look a bit.
Okay.
I think we'll kick it off for that group thing for the Discord and then jump into some games. So
can I game
see?
But 6 done rise every fucking day, man.
What platform is stream on?
Yo, man, them still. We're gonna need to link up and drop a proper reaction to a song when none of we not listen to it here. And then we can all post it and benefit from that. That would be a sick caliber thing.
Absolutely.
So anytime when you're ready, just let me know.
Yeah, man. It's linking up on IG and thing too.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
A good following over TikTok too. I'll be over there sometimes. I'll be streaming games sometime over there. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's what I play. I play Valorant. I stream on TikTok. That's what I do.
Yeah,
that's my stream, man. On TikTok, mainly on TikTok.
Yeah, man.
Guys, big up on yourself. Me go chip off of the stream now, cause 2 after 12 and no after 11 and if you got my bed. Yeah, England me there bro 20 past 11 and
what?
Time morning. Yeah, dog.
Okay, you tell me
when me left a stream, yeah, me I go outside with a big batty girl, watch a one movie, do some bowling because at 5 o'clock.
Yeah, they know. Yeah, they know.
I
go follow back sheet.
He drinks his tea.
Later on, I'm gonna be streaming. I'll be going live too. In the night, we do like late night streams where I just talk about like updates. You know, really. Okay. Sometimes I do reactions live. Well, like update and thing. Russian just sell a house with 2.6 million and them thing.
Yeah. Byron, we need an answer, bro. We need an answer. They are wait, bro. So we need an answer by a morning now.
No.
Yeah.
Yo, Byron, we need an answer by a morning. Yeah. You have it?
Yeah. Now.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. But anyway, guys, big up on yourself. Thanks for everybody who drop a like on the stream. Thanks to everybody who just there lurk and they listen to what we are said. Thanks to everybody who chip in on the stream and take take a 5 minute and join. My nephew, big up yourself. Me see you join the thing, but we do some reaction things, so never get for all our reasons still. But big up on yourself. Big up Pocket Rocket as usual. I don't know.
Mad man.
Everybody.
Jambisco, big up on yourself, guys. And if you got drop a follow up on Jambisco and Tyreek channel. I think that is TyrekeReactions channel, and I dropped Jambisco one earlier on. So give them a strength, guys.
Yeah, man. Because heard themselves, me G, for create the space. Everybody come and enjoy and talk, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. I make it a space for any clash or anything we are going any clash. We can there's all a reason. You
yeah, man. Love the unity.
So,
love the unity.
Yeah, yeah. Well, big up on yourself, guys. This time I'm gonna leave that one. I'll see you guys in the next one. Probably a reaction video.
Yeah, man. Manners and respect, everybody, man.
Yeah, man. Big up on yourself. Peace.